to you and am I properly visible to you? And then we will move ahead. Yes, thank you so much for confirming. Mega, Shreya, Dhruv Patil, Rituja, Charan, Palak, Garima as well. All right, that's great. Janvi, Kutadi, we have got Umang, Athira, Gayatri, Mamta. All right. Thank you so much again, Pradeep, Neela, and everyone else for confirming. So on this note, let us move ahead. Let us get started. Right. So first of all, guys, I would like to welcome you and congratulate you that you decided to upscale and upgrade yourself. That too in this 2 days live hands-on webinar. Right. Apart from that, I promise that we are going to have a lot of learning in this webinar. We are going to do a end-to-end analytics project as well. I'm going to give you a lot of perspective learning. We are going to have a lot of hands-on knowledge as well in this particular webinar. So stay with me till the end, and we are going to have super fun learning. So apart from that, guys, let me quickly share my screen and let me quickly show you. First of all, there are some bonuses also that you are going to get on completion of this masterclass, right? So students who complete the webinar till the end are also eligible for some bonuses. Let me quickly share my screen and let me quickly guide you what are the bonuses that you will be eligible for. So guys, the first bonus that you are going to get on completion of this webinar is a 1 year free case study subscription from jobaaj Learning. jobaaj Learning provides a lot of case studies to jobaaj Learning students who complete the webinar till the end. So for 1 year free case studies, you're going to get from that. These case studies will be analytics case studies worth 10,000 rupees. Apart from that, guys, the second bonus will be on jobaajlearnings.com, which is our learning oriented website where a lot of job oriented programs are hosted. And this is me, your mentor. So on this website, the second bonus will be turbocharge LinkedIn program. This is a program which is created so that we can work on our LinkedIn skills. And it will give you a lot of hacks, tricks, and tips that will give you a deeper understanding of how LinkedIn works. Apart from that, whether you are a job seeker, whether you are a student, working professional, business holder, all of us needs to build a strong LinkedIn profile for ourselves. So with the help of this program, you can definitely build that. Apart from that, you have got lifetime access for this program with a certificate of completion as well. So turbocharge LinkedIn program worth 2,000 rupees is there for you as well. The third and last bonus that students are going to get on completion of this webinar is Excel Essential Formulas and Function. This is a program which is created so that we can work on our Excel skills. Apart from that, guys, it contains 25 plus lecture, 25 plus lecture worksheets, and 3 premium ebooks as well that you can upscale and upgrade from. Apart from that, you will be learning all the analytics formulas and functions over here in Microsoft Excel. You will be having premium ebooks as well that you can upskill from. You have full lifetime access and a certificate of completion as well, right? So these are the 3 bonuses. The first one is a 1 year free case study. Second one is Excel Essential Formulas and Functions. And the third one is Turbocharge LinkedIn program. Apart from this, guys, this is a certified workshop. That means you will be also eligible for a certificate of completion on completion of this particular webinar, right? And then you will be getting some notes, ebooks as well on completion of this webinar, right? So this is what I wanted to tell you initially. Apart from that, guys, I'm super glad to tell you that right now we have got 500 participants live with us already. So which is a very good thing. So again, this is a webinar, guys, so you cannot see the number of participants, but definitely I have taken a quick screenshot of it. So let us quickly open that. Okay. And you're going to see that right now we have got 500 participants live with us already, 502 to be precise. So again, that's a good thing, guys. And let us learn as a family in this particular masterclass. Let us make sure we make this masterclass interactive, right? And make sure that you practice along with me as well. You try to understand as much as possible and make some of your own notes as well. That will help you at later point of time. Okay. Apart from that, let me give you some time so that you can quickly get yourself ready. I'm going to give you around 50 seconds timer so that you can quickly get yourself ready. So guys, quickly go get a piece of pen and paper, get a glass of water so that you can sip in between, and then we are going to move ahead. Okay. So your 50 seconds timer starts from now. So quickly get yourself ready and then we will move ahead. Okay. All right. So 30 more seconds remaining for you guys. So get a piece of pen and paper, get a glass of water so that you can sip in between. You can write some notes, right? That is important for you. Okay, that's great. Gayatri is already ready. So 15 more seconds remaining for you guys. All right. Let me just get myself ready as well. Check my net speed and everything. It's fine. All right, great. Shravani, Rajesh, Priya, and Shiv Prakash as well. Time is up, right? So I hope you are ready now. You have got your piece of pen and paper to write some notes for yourself. On this note, let us move ahead, guys, and let me quickly show you the roadmap of this masterclass. What are we going to learn in this masterclass? It's very important for you to know that. So again, I would like to welcome you all in this data and business analytics live hands-on webinar in specialization with Tableau and Chat GPT. That is, we are going to work on Tableau. We are going to build a practical hands-on solution on Tableau, and we are going to have a hands-on learning on Chat GPT as well. That is right. So we are going to use an AI tool for today as well for our data cleaning purpose. And it's a beginner-friendly webinar. So right from basics, we are going to learn everything. All right. Apart from that, guys, my name is Rakshit and I am the Director of Analytics Department, jobaaj Learnings. Super excited to teach you and again, welcome you all in this particular webinar. So let me quickly move forward with the roadmap of this particular masterclass. What are we going to learn? So first of all, guys, we are going to spend some time in understanding the fundamental concepts like what is Tableau and why do we need Tableau? What is the importance of that? What kind of use case tools like Tableau has? What kind of industrial or domain specific use case it has got, what kind of different job profiles you can apply for once you have Tableau as a primary skill with yourself. Apart from that, what are the other skills you need to learn to become a professionally certified data analyst? So first of all, we are going to spend some time in understanding all these fundamental concepts. After that, guys, we are going to move towards data preparation. We are going to work on a real-time Amazon data. I'm going to give you that data set. We are going to understand that data, and then we are going to transform and prepare that data with the help of Chat GPT. So we will be writing effective prompts on Chat GPT so that we can prepare the data for ourselves. I will be guiding you on that. And once our data is prepared, guys, the next thing that we have to do is we have to feed that data to Tableau, and we have to build an effective dashboard out of it, right? So we will be building an analytical solution. We will be building a practical hands-on dashboard using Tableau as well. And once we have built it, I will be showing you some AI-powered analytics, how AI is getting used these days in the area of again Tableau and analytics, what kind of AI powered charts and what kind of AI powered visuals we can integrate with our dashboard so that the business can take data driven decisions. I will be showing you that as well. And on day 2, we are going to focus upon SQL learning, structured query language learning. SQL is very important for us. It's the number one skill to get into the analytics domain. So on day 2, we will learn end-to-end SQL as well. And we are going to have a lot of additional learning as a part of this webinar as well. For example, we will be focusing upon real-time job analytics. We will check on real-time what kind of jobs are there into the analytics domain, how many jobs are there for freshers or for experienced professional, what kind of skills are required by the HRs, and so on. We will be focusing upon personal portfolio building session where I will show you that what kind of personal portfolio, what are some good websites where you can upload your projects. I will show you some of my students' personal portfolio as well who have successfully cracked a job role into the analytics domain so that you can take some inspiration. I will be showing you analytical based resume as well so that again you can take some inspiration how to build good dedicated resume. And then at the end, we are going to have a live Q&A session, live questions and answer session where you can ask any question to me and I'm going to answer all your questions one by one. So this is your roadmap to make your Saturday super duper productive. I hope you all are ready and super excited to learn all these things along with me. I am super excited to teach you all these things. So again, guys, let us move ahead. And this is your roadmap. All right. Perfect. So now let me quickly introduce myself to you as well. Who am I and what is my credentials and what is my credibility to teach you? So guys, my name is Rakshit, as you all know that, and I am a data enthusiast who loves teaching and mentoring. Apart from that, I am a Microsoft certified data analyst, Microsoft certified Power BI developer, PL 300 analytical associate certified, Tableau desktop specialist, 98381 Microsoft Technology Associate, HackerRank SQL Gold Medalist, trained 4,200 plus learners across the data and business analytics domain who directly upskill and upgrade under my mentorship. I've also written a research paper, autonomous book sort of system, which got published in researchgate.net. I have worked with companies like PwC, PepsiCo, Minda, Cargill as a analytics consultant, and I am still an active analytics consultant with these firms. So again, I bring a corporate experience as well over here. At the end of this webinar, guys, I will also guide you that how you can also replicate my portfolio, what kind of skill set you need to have so that you can replicate my profile, what kind of professional certifications you can target, and so on. So this is something that we are going to discuss at the end, right? All right. So now, guys, before we begin on our actual learning, I just want you guys to quickly write a yes in the chat section as a token of promise that yes, we are going to stay till the end. We are going to stay interactive. We are going to stay attentive throughout the webinar, and we will maintain the community guidelines in the chat section. So let me check. We have got Anshuman, Meghna, Srinivasan Rao. We have got Khushbu, Aditi as well. We have got Anushka, Hemant, Shreya, Suman, Charan, Gayatri. We have got Pavani, Rajesh, Nilim as well. Ayushi, all right, that's great. Deepti, Dipali, Shravani, okay. Anil, Mohammad, Wasim, Selva. We have got Pratna as well, Sushmita and Shri as well. All right, that's great, everyone. Let us maintain the same energy till the end. And now let us move ahead with our learning of Tableau over here. So what is Tableau? What are some features of Tableau and what are some functionalities of Tableau? Let us quickly discuss that. So first of all, guys, the first thing that you have to understand is that we all have been working upon Microsoft Excel, right? Whether we are student, whether we are a working professional, all of us have worked on Microsoft Excel, yes or no, right? That is right, Tejas. So now understand, guys, what are we doing on Microsoft Excel? We are dealing with data. We are cleaning data, we are transforming data, we are visualizing data, we are storing data. So for data analytics purpose, we are using Microsoft Excel till now. So Excel is a full-fledged data analytics tool. But understand that, guys, Excel can only handle limited amount of rows. It can only handle less than 1 million rows, which means less than 10 lakh rows. It cannot handle more than that. So Excel is not a big data tool. Okay. Apart from that, guys, you will be focusing that over here, that is where Tableau comes into picture, because Tableau is a big data tool over here. It is able to analyze huge amount of data. It is able to, I would say, visualize, transform, clean, build dashboards on millions of rows already. It can be multi-million rows as well. But Excel can only handle less than 1 million rows. And understand, guys, that 1 million rows is not a very big number. 1 million rows is generated just in one day in FMCG sector. It is generated is just in few days in supply chain sector, in few weeks in healthcare sector, and so on. So 1 million rows is not a very big number over here. All right. And that is where, as I told you, big data tools like Tableau comes into picture, which can analyze huge amount of data. For example, right now, the project I am working upon is having 29 million rows. And again, Tableau is able to handle that very, very effectively. Okay. Now, let me also quickly guide you towards some features of Tableau, guys, what Tableau is capable of doing. So first of all, understand that your big data, your millions of rows, huge amount of data is stored in multiple locations. Your big data can be stored in SAP. Your big data can be stored in Microsoft Azure. It can be stored in AWS. It can be stored in Excel as well, or it can be stored in, let's suppose, Google Sheets, right? So there are multiple type of databases where your big data can be stored. Now, Tableau provides us with 60 plus data connectors to connect to different type of data sources over here, right? It can extract huge amount of data, millions of rows from multiple data sources without getting lagged or without any delay in between. That is the first quality of Tableau, right? It can extract data from multiple places. Now, guys, once it has extracted multiple places, multiple rows of data set from different type of databases, the next thing is we have to prepare that data. We have to filter that data. We have to clean that data. You cannot use that raw data, because there is a saying in analytics, which is GIGO, garbage in, garbage out. If you will feed garbage data, the results, the insights that you are going to get is also going to be garbage. So we have to always clean, transform, filter, model our data. Make sure that our data is in a ready state, right? So that we can analyze that. Now, once we have transformed and filtered and cleaned our data, the next thing is to, guys, summarize that data. You cannot analyze that data in the form of tables. So you have to visualize that data, and Tableau provides us with 70 plus data visualizations, whether it is scatter plot, whether it is hierarchical donut chart, whether it is word map, whether it is tree map, or whether it is map visualization, and so on. So it provides us a lot of data visualization capabilities so that we can summarize our data effectively. Apart from that, guys, Tableau is the #1 tool in terms of visualization and in terms of dashboarding. No other tool can come close to Tableau in terms of dashboarding and visualization. It is very strong in that. Now, once you have visualized your data, you have summarized your data, so you can build a effective dashboard as well. You can combine all those visuals in a single place so that you can tell a story with the help of your data as well. So you can build advanced effective dashboards as well with the help of your data insights. Apart from that, guys, we have got AI powered analytics as well. Tableau is a leader in AI powered analytics. Tableau is a leader in next generational analytics. So we can integrate a lot of AI powered visuals, AI powered charts in our existing solution so that our business can take advanced decisions, or they can uncover some hidden patterns in our data, or they can take data driven decisions. And in this webinar, I'm going to show you some AI powered visuals as well that we can use in our dashboard. Apart from that, Tableau is a great tool for data storytelling as well, right? Understand that as a good data analyst, you have to tell a good story with the help of your data as well. For example, we are getting the maximum sales in the Bangalore region. It is driven by 5 categories: electronics, home appliance, furnitures, and so on. These are my top 5 customers, top 5 states, month over month growth, and so on. So this way you have to tell a good story with the help of your data as well. And with the help of Tableau, you can do that effectively. So these are some features about Tableau step by step. And these are the step-by-step tasks in data analytics project as well, guys. This is what we do, right? First of all, we extract data, we transform data, clean, visualize, build dashboards, add some advanced analytics, and do data storytelling. All right. So I hope you understand that. Apart from that, guys, let me also cover some functionalities of Tableau over here. So you're going to see Tableau has been ranked as the industry leader by Gartner in business intelligence and analytics platform. From the last 6+ years, it has been ranking Tableau as an industry leader. And Gartner is a $1 billion research and consulting firm. Whatever study is released by Gartner is taken very seriously by the companies. Apart from that, there are more than 60,000 job openings in Naukri.com and 2,100 plus for freshers as well on Naukri.com by the keyword Tableau over here. Tableau as a tool is estimated to be worth around $2.18 billion by 2028. And again, it is having a CAGR growth of 13.6%. Any industry which is growing beyond 12% is considered a highly exponential growing industry. Analytics and Tableau is one of them. Apart from that, guys, LinkedIn release a list of important tools and technologies every year because it has got a lot of job data. It has got a lot of HR's data. So LinkedIn has released Tableau as one of the most in-demand skill for 2023 also, right? So if LinkedIn is recommending it, that means a lot of HRs are posting about it. And apart from that, if you are professionally certified in Tableau, you can earn an average salary of 8 lakhs per annum. If you have some experience, it can be much more than this as well. So I hope you understand that. I hope you have written some notes out of it. This was a brief introduction about Tableau, some features and functionalities of Tableau. We are going to have practical hands-on learning as well. So I promise you that. But again, just to give you a brief idea. So I hope you're writing some notes out about it as well. Now let me check some questions over here. So we have got a question by Mohanti. We have got a question by Viraju, and same question by Ashwin as well. Difference between Tableau and Power BI. So don't worry, I will be covering the difference between Tableau and Power BI in our slide number 5. I will tell you brief difference over there. Okay, in our slide number 5. Okay, it is kind of replacement of Excel, especially when source is having greater than 1 million rows. No, Viraju. Understand, Tableau has a lot of advanced capabilities as well. It can integrate with other products also. You can publish your dashboard as well. Multiple users can interact with your dashboard in Tableau, but in Excel you cannot do that, right? So there are a lot of other places as well where Tableau separates itself from Microsoft Excel. How do Tableau and Power BI differ? Jishna, we are going to discuss that in our slide number 5. Okay. So I hope you understand that. Let me quickly move ahead and let me quickly guide you to what are some job profiles that you can target if you have Tableau as a primary skill over here. Okay, so there are multiple job profiles. For example, we have got data analyst, 62,000 job openings on Naukri.com, 2,000 350 plus for freshers as well on naukri.com. And guys, all this data is taken from naukri.com over here. Apart from that, guys, we have got business analyst 10K plus job openings, right, which require Tableau as a primary skill. Apart from that, a lot of students usually also ask me the difference between data analyst and business analyst over here. So understand, guys, that 95% of the task a data analyst do, a business analyst will also do. For example, data extraction, data understanding, data modeling, transforming, cleaning, filtering, visualizations, dashboarding, everything is going to remain same. But sometimes business analysts are more closely associated with the business stakeholders. They try to understand the business behind the data. They try to understand what kind of user stories I can form with the help of this data, right? So they try to understand that how my insights are going to affect the business at the end. But data analysts are more closely associated with implementation of the data analytics solution. So they implement the solution as quickly as possible. But these roles are interchangeable, guys. So expectation of a business analyst can be from a data analyst as well. So as a analytics aspirant, you can target both of them. Apart from that, we have got data scientists who also clean, transform, model, visualize their data. But in addition to that, they do some advanced analytics also. For example, they might do some forecasting, they might build some prediction models, they might build some classification and clustering models, and so on. Okay. And then we have got dashboard and visualization specialist, business intelligence developers, right? We have got more than 65,000 job openings on naukri.com for business intelligence. In case you are targeting companies like PwC, we have got EY, we have got KPMG, we have got again BCG, Baines, McKinsey. Then we have got analytics consultant and analytics associate. You can target these profiles. You can also target Tableau developer, right? Who are also analytics professional, who is also a data analyst, but they analyze their data in specialization with Tableau over here. Okay, so there are multiple job profiles that you can target over here. As a analytics aspirant, as a analytics, I would say, professional, you can target all of them. Don't just focus on a single job profile, because the names might be different, but at the end, the skill set required for this job profile is going to remain more or less the same. For example, in my previous profile also, I was a data consultant, and then I was a data associate, and then I'm a senior data analyst, and so on. So the names might change, but the skills are going to remain same. All right. I hope you understand that. Apart from this, guys, in case you have some experience in finance domain and you are from BCom domain, for example, then you can also apply for financial data analyst, where you will be analyzing financial data. In case you are from supply chain domain, you can also apply for supply chain data analyst, HR data analyst, marketing data analyst, healthcare data analyst, and so on. So you can use your experience as well to get into your own domain specific job roles. Okay. For example, I am also from electronics and communication domain, and my mentor is from mechanical domain. I have got students from mechanical domain, civil domain, sales domain, finance domain, who have transitioned their career into the analytics sector. So again, you can use your domain knowledge as well, or else you can go into core analytics like data analyst, business analyst, data scientist, business intelligence, and so on. There is no educational qualification barrier into the analytics domain. I am also from electronics sector. All you require is a good project portfolio, good resume, great referrals, again, a good understanding of analytical tools and technologies. That is what it will require you, of course, right? So I hope you understand this part, and I hope you have taken some notes out of it as well. And feel free to write some screenshots, guys. Okay, so that is perfectly fine. Okay. All right, guys. So now let me move ahead. What is data cleaning? So data cleaning contains multiple things, Tanya, right? You can filter your data. That is also data cleaning. You can format your data properly. That is also data cleaning. For example, you have got a column called customer name, right? You have got a column called customer name, or maybe you have got a column called date of birth, right? So for example, some platforms also use date of birth, right? So you have got a customer date of birth over here. Now you will see date of birth is 4 October, right? 2000. This is your first customer. Second customer is 3rd January, right? 2001. And then we have got our third customer whose date of birth is 27th March, right? We have got 1992, right? So this way you will see that we are capturing the data, the date of birth over here. But do you see any issues with this data? The issue is that we don't have proper data formatting. For the first data point, we are using 4th Oct 2000. For the second one, we are writing 301, right? Instead of writing Jan, we are writing 01. In the third one, we are writing complete month name March. So the formatting is different. And that is what data cleaning will help us in doing, making sure that our data is properly formatted and properly cleaned, right? So this is just one such example. There are a lot of things that we do in data cleaning as well. Okay. What is better, data analyst or business analyst? Dhruv, both are of equal importance. Both have super high in demand. But again, just to do a comparison, data analysts are much more in demand than business analyst over here. All right. Business intelligence is also one of the same job profile over here, Mir, like data analyst, business analyst, analytical associate, consultant, and so on. Okay, so it is more or less the same. Targeting only remote job, is it possible? So there are some companies, Shangen, for example, Tiger Analytics, it is offering permanent work from home jobs. So definitely you can go forward with that. Helpful for management role, definitely. Present metrics to management, definitely, right? For example, if you have big data and then you have to let's suppose present some important numbers to the business stakeholders, present some important metrics, KPI to the business stakeholders, then again, Tableau can be a great tool for that. I am also from EC domain. That is great. Kundru, QA lead with experience. How will it help me? So if you are from the lead domain, then you can apply for analytics sales managerial role as well, right? That will further help you a lot, Sumit. So there are managerial role as well. And in some companies, right, these days, we have got CDO roles also, Chief Data Officer. So that is a very experienced role, but Chief Data Officer roles are also there over here. Business analyst is a subset of data analyst. Again, don't get confused. These are interchangeable roles. As a analytics aspirant, Dipali, you can apply for both of them. Okay, so don't worry on that. All right. Relevant job openings available in all metro cities of India. Yes, Kaushik, and we will do a real-time job analytics as well, where I'm going to show you that. Okay, so don't worry on that. I'm from BCom, MCom background. You can apply for senior financial data analyst job roles as well, Anushka, if you have the financial skills, financial knowledge. Okay. All right. So now on this note, let me move ahead and let me give you a good perspective learning on analytics, how Tableau is used in different domains, in different industries. What are some different use case of Tableau in different industries? So first of all, guys, you are going to see over here that we have got finance department. Every company have finance department, and in every finance department, we have got financial data analyst. So understand that financial data analyst analyze a really important number for the business. And there are a lot of important numbers that we need to report to the business on quarterly level, monthly level, yearly level, weekly level as well. For example, we have got net operating profit before tax, we have got operating cash flow, we have got profit after tax, contribution margin, and so on. So understand that earlier all this work was done on Microsoft Excel, but now since the data is increasing at a very rapid pace, Excel is not sufficient, and that is where big data tools like Tableau comes into picture. And then we have got healthcare data analyst. Every healthcare research institute, every healthcare research department are having dedicated healthcare data analyst job profiles who analyze the healthcare data of the patient. They might build some prediction models as well. For example, a particular patient who is male, having average age of 42 years of age, average insulin level of 120, thyroid level of 20, will develop blood pressure issues when they will go to 45 years of age with 90% chances. So this way they can build some really highly accurate, important, useful models as well. Every bank is having dedicated analytics department. You can take an example of any bank over here, whether it is HDFC, HSBC, whether it is, let's suppose, American Express, and so on. For example, we have got American Express over here, and you're going to see American Express is in the business of giving credit card to their customers. Since they are giving them credit card, they are also giving them money. And because, guys, they are giving them money, they have to be very, very cautious if their money is getting used in a proper way or not. All right. Is there any potential money laundering happening? Is there any tax evasion happening? And you have seen an example of Paytm banks recently as well. So dedicated transactional data is analyzed. Each and every transaction that you are doing on your card is analyzed, and they try to generate alerts. They try to find out suspicious transactions. So dedicated analytics team is hired for that. We have got supply chain data analyst as well, especially after COVID. The demand of supply chain data analyst grew exponentially, guys, right? because during COVID there was a stop at supply chain. We were sourcing a lot of product from China, and again there was a major COVID outbreak over there, so supply chain of the world got disturbed. And now companies are moving their supply chain to multiple countries, multiple geographical location, and they want to analyze each and every data about their manufacturers, retailers, suppliers, wholesalers, farmers, end consumers, and so on. We have got marketing data analysts to analyze the marketing campaign data on Meta, on Google, on YouTube, right, on Gmail, and so on. We have got sales data analysts who try to figure out which lead is a hot lead, which lead is a cold lead, based upon big data, based upon finding pattern, based upon finding clusters and classification. We have got HR data analysts, people who are from HR domain. They analyze important metrics like attrition rate, cost per hire, how many employees will resign in the coming 3 months. They will do some predictions as well on that. We have got retail data analysts. We have got logistic data analysts, especially companies like FedEx is hiring into that. We have got manufacturing data analysts, especially companies like Uno Minda is hiring into that. Sports data analysts, companies like Hotstar, companies like Nike is hiring into that. Agriculture data analysts, right? For example, a lot of sensors are deployed to the soil to understand what is the right amount of chemical, pesticides, fertilizers we need to use so that we can get the maximum yield out of that crop. So a lot of real-time data is passed on for that. So this way you're going to see that analytics is used in multiple domains, multiple industries, right? There is no industry which is untouched by the power of analytics over here. And that is why I say that it's open to all. There is no specific educational background barrier. All you need is a right project, good portfolio, even if you're a college going student, start building your portfolio at least into the analytics domain, project-based portfolio, right? Publish your projects on online platform. That will help you immensely at later point of time, right? So again, guys, as I mentioned to you, you can be from any background, any domain. All of you are equally eligible. You can go into domain specific job roles as well, like healthcare data analyst. We have got financial data analyst. We have got supply chain data analyst, and so on. All right. And again, you can go into core analytics job role as well that I mentioned initially. So I hope you understand that. I hope you got some perspective learning over here, and that is what it matters. And before we move ahead, let me cover some questions as well over here. I have done MSc, DS, but still. Okay, so that means there can be multiple reasons, right, Janvi? So what is your profile? What is your project-based portfolio? How strongly are you applying? How's your Naukri profile, right? Have you done any real-time projects? Have you published those real-time projects? Is your resume too text-heavy, right? So there can be multiple reasons that you have to optimize. Okay, so I hope you understand that. Let me check. I am from testing domain. What are the job roles? Actually, testing is a good domain, Yeluri, but again, it is not an exponentially growing career. So you need to, if you want to learn exponentially, if you want to grow exponentially in your career, then of course you need to learn exponentially growing skills. Analytics is one of them. Okay. So parallel to your job, you can start upskilling yourself. It will help you a lot. Is there any internship in this field? Of course there are, right? All right. Let me check. Data analytics tools will be advantage for MBA and business. Yes, of course. Business analytics and data analytics are not different. Understand the Richardson, all right? So they are interchangeable job profiles. So you need to learn analytical skills, right? Market research analysis, understand that, Shruti, in every scenario, whether you are a market analyst, whether you are a HR analyst, you have to analyze data. You have to analyze big data. You have to, the way you analyze that data is going to remain same, right? The tools and technologies that you're going to use are also going to remain same. Okay. I'm from MBA background. Can I learn it? Yes, Lenovo. For example, you are doing MBA in finance. You can apply for financial data analyst. If you're doing MBA in, let's suppose, HR data analyst. So again, you can go into domain specific job roles as well, but you need to learn analytical tools and technologies for that. It will help you. Okay. All right. B2B lead generation. So again, as I told you, you can go for sales data analyst, senior sales data analyst as well, Muir. Okay. All right. How did you start your analytics career being an EC student? So as I told you, you need to get the right projects. You should know how to apply for jobs, how to get referrals. And again, choose a good mentor as well. My mentor is from mechanical domain. He has transitioned his career. So again, I got a good advice from him as well. Okay. MBA finance, that's great. You can apply for finance, managerial, analytics job role as well, right? Okay. Your educational background will help you a lot, Priya. That is great. Okay. How to do real-time projects? You have to work on a real-time data set, Akash. You have to clean, transform, build a business case study out of it, visualize the data, present some insights, right? This is what you have to do. All right. Web development, it's a good profile. It's also super high in demand. So it's up to you. Web development is very coding intensive. So if you like coding a lot, you can stay in that particular job profile. But in case you want to explore other fields, then parallel to your job, you can start learning analytics. It will, again give you more knowledge and more perspective. Okay, SQL is necessary. Yes, SQL is a mandatory skill that you need to learn. Mani Teja, you can go into, I would say, healthcare analytics job role as well. Again, BCA background, your educational qualification are going to help you a lot immensely, right, Nisha? Because there are some subjects which are very, very relevant to analytics over there. Okay. All right. Freshers and BIA data analyst. So Deepika, we will do a real-time job analytics. I will filter the job to freshers as well. So we will do it at the end, right? Real-time job analytics over there. All right. Okay. Can I learn data analytics? Yes, definitely, Lakshmi. Why not, right? I'm pursuing BTech. Yes, you can do that. So start building your portfolio. It will help you a lot. MBA marketing, you can go into marketing data analyst, or you can go into core data analyst job profiles as well. That is perfectly fine. BBA domain. Understand, after BBA, there are not many opportunities, right? Because it's not a specialization. So understand that, start learning exponentially growing skills. Analytics is one of them. If you have some interest in other fields, you can learn that as well. Analytics is one of them, which don't require extensive coding and which require data knowledge, business knowledge, which require tools and technologies knowledge. So, but make sure you learn at least, something that is exponentially growing, that is super high in demand. In manufacturing domain, yes, right. I have worked for that as well, Himanshu. I have worked with Uno Minda, right, who's into automobile manufacturing. And I was working as an analytics developer over there. And then again, you can also apply for analytics. They are actively hiring as well for analytics consultant. Okay. So I hope you understand that, guys. And now let me move ahead. Let me quickly guide you towards what are the important skills you need to learn to get into the analytics domain over here. So guys, you're going to see that there are some mandatory skills that you need to learn and upskill from to get into the analytics sector. As I mentioned to you initially, we have got Tableau. Tableau is the number one data visualization tool. Tableau is the number one, I would say, dashboarding tool that you can learn and build in your portfolio. It will help you immensely. It is super high in demand as well. Apart from that, if you are from Power BI, sorry, you can learn Power BI as well, guys, because it's a number one business intelligence tool. It is also a big data tool. And a lot of students usually ask me the difference between Tableau and Power BI. So understand, guys, Tableau and Power BI both are big data tool. Both are used to analyze huge amount of data. They can extract data, transform data, model data, clean data, visualize data, add some AI powered capabilities, publish your dashboard. So you can do everything with both of these tools over here. But understand that Tableau is very good in visualization. Tableau is very good in dashboarding, right? Whereas Power BI is very good in integration because it is a Microsoft product, right? So it can integrate with other Microsoft products as well. It is very good in, I would say, not only in integration, it is very good in data transformations. So you can clean your data, you can transform your data very, very effectively in using Power BI. So again, both the tools are used by MNCs. For example, I have worked with 4 MNCs till now, and all the 4 MNCs are using both Tableau and Power BI in their, again, analytics department. So again, both are important tools, super high in demand. Apart from that, guys, we have got Microsoft Excel as well. Excel is a great tool, right? You cannot ignore that at any cost, because whenever you will have small amount of data, you have to analyze that data with the help of Microsoft Excel. Okay, whether it is pivot table, Power Query, Power Pivot, analytical formulas and functions, lookup, indexing, and so on. SQL is also a great skill that we are going to learn on day 2, right? Apart from that, you're going to focus that SQL is the number one skill to interact with the database. We have got a lot of AI tools as well, guys. For example, we have got Chat GPT over here. Now, you all know that Chat GPT is a great tool in the market. And again, if you can become an advanced user of Chat GPT, if you can learn how to become a better data analyst using Chat GPT, how to use it to increase your productivity, it will further help you. All right. So you can learn some advanced AI tools as well. Apart from this, there are some, I would say, optional skills, right? Optional skills like Python, NumPy, Pandas. These are some optional skills that you can learn as well. After you learn mandatory skills, you, let's suppose, start working as an analytics professional. Parallel to that, you can start learning some optional skills as well, like Python, NumPy, Pandas, which will further help you. Okay. So I hope you understand that, and I hope you have taken some notes out of it as well. This ends our theoretical learning in analytics, guys. And after this, we are going to start with our practical hands-on learning. I'm going to give you a 1 minute timer so that you can settle down, write some notes, take some screenshots, and then we are going to move ahead. All right. Is maths necessary? 10th level maths is required, only 10th level. Okay. All right, career gap. So that is perfectly fine, right? A lot of people take career gap because of multiple reasons, Krishna. Mostly it is government exam preparation, right? So that is perfectly fine. No issues in that. But make sure you don't extend your career gap unnecessarily and start learning and upskilling yourself. Okay. Apart from that, again, Aruna, you can go for financial data analyst job roles as well. Password of 2016. So again, make sure that you don't extend your career gap, Ravindra, and make sure you start learning and upskilling as soon as possible. Okay. And then we have got graduation as BBA. I've already discussed that. If you're from BBA domain, Rahul, then you have to definitely upskill yourself, right? Because there are not many exponentially growing opportunities. I am from BCA domain. Definitely you can do that, right? BCA, there are a lot of subjects as well, which are very relevant to analytics. Pooja Sehgal. All right. Okay. So I hope you understand that. Apart from that, guys, let me check. I'm from civil domain. I've got a student as well. His name is Vipin Kumar Rao. He's also from civil and sales domain, and he has transitioned his career into the analytics sector recently. He's working as an analytics project manager. Digital marketing, no marketing is possible without big data, right? All the ads that you see also is possible with the help of big data. Okay. All right, guys, let me check. In hospitality sector also analytics is used. For example, you will see the pricing of hotels will change very frequently, and that is all based on demand and supply, and that is all based upon again big data analytics. All right. Arts background, you can switch your career. You can entirely switch your career if you are from arts background. I'm so much good in computer world, that is great. You can switch your career into the analytics sector as well by learning relevant skills. It will help you a lot. Yes, it's perfectly fine to be from diploma mech background. I've got a student as well. His name is Dharmesh. He's also from mechanical domain, and he's right now placed as a data analyst in Limbudi fashion. Okay. All right, guys. So now let me move ahead and let me quickly, since I've got a lot of repeated questions, let me quickly give you some confidence, right? And let me quickly show you some of my own student success stories as well. So what should I type? I will be typing maybe jobaaj learning YouTube. Okay. So you're going to see that this is the YouTube channel of jobaaj learnings, and over here we have got bunch of students whose success stories have got published, who have directly upskilled under my mentorship under jobaaj learning. For example, you're going to see we have got data analytics student got placed, data analyst student got placed in Samsung. We have got career gap to operational data analyst Ishita Roy, sales civil background to analytics project manager Vipin Rao. We have got over here Ishita Pandey placed as business analyst. We have got over here Ashwati Dinesh, who got placed as a data analyst fresher in eClerks Pune. Associate data consultant in Capgemini, K. Karuna. Over here, you're going to see electrical to project manager in Bestcom. This is again Naveen for you. Apart from this, guys, you're going to see we have got multiple financial data analyst journeys as well over here. We have got non-tech background to business analyst journey. We have got the career gap. Khushi Yadav took a 5 years of career gap and again started her career as an analytics professional. Jobless to data analyst, fresher data analyst, mechanical engineer to data analyst, and so on. So multiple success stories get published over here of our, I would say, previous quarter students on bi-weekly manner. So you can have a look at it as well. But again, all of them have done it. So if they can do that, why can't you? Because they are also from different domain. Okay. But all you would require is the right skill set, right portfolio, good projects, right? Structured learning, and again some internships if you can do. Apart from that, great resume, good referrals, right? That will help you a lot immensely. Okay. So I hope you understand that. We're going to have a dedicated Q&A session at the end. Okay. Dedicated questions and answer session at the end. So we are going to have you can ask any question at any point of time. I'm going to answer all your questions, but right now most of the questions are more or less same. Okay. I'm from this background, I'm from that background, and so on. 5 to 6 years of experience. Can I move into this domain? I've got students who have got 5 years of career gap, right? Her name is Khushi Yadav. She transitioned her career, and you have experience of 5 years. So again, so you are at a very upper level, Jyoti, right? So if you have the right skills, definitely you can do that. Okay. 6 years experience finance and equally have 6 years of career gap. So you can apply for financial data analyst and don't extend your career gap unnecessarily, Deepika. Make sure you start learning and upskilling. It will help you a lot. Okay. All right, guys. So now I just want to understand from you, do you want me to continue with the Q&A, questions and answers, or do you want me to first learn, practice, and then Q&A? Option number one is just Q&A. Second option is learn and then Q&A. One or two, you have to tell me. Because this is a webinar for you guys, and whatever you will say, we will do that. All right. Let me check. We have got, okay, seems like everyone is saying two. Okay, it's 100% votes for two. Okay, so we will go with that. And don't worry, we are going to have a dedicated Q&A session at the end as well. Okay, Wasim, that is great. All right, relax. Okay, perfect. So now let me quickly open up a requirement document, guys, because we have completed our theoretical learning in the analytics domain. So this is my requirement document, which is by Amazon. Hey, Rakshit, we welcome you on board as our analytics partner. We are excited to kickstart with our first project. Please find attach the sales data and let us know when the solution is ready. Regards, Ellison, Analytics Manager, Amazon. So Analytics Manager of Amazon has reached out to us so that we can analyze the sales data effectively. Let me quickly download this data first of all, guys. This data has been downloaded. Let me quickly open up this data. This is Amazon raw sales data, guys, and we are going to understand this data. We are going to transform this data using chat GPT, and we are going to feed this data as well to to Tableau to build a dashboard out of it. But before we do that, I'm going to give you the link of data sets as well, because in case you want to practice along with me, you can do that. Okay. So right now, guys, I have got 499 participants, 500 right now, live with me already. So if I will give you a single link, it will crash. That is why I am going to give you 5 different links. You can click on any one link and the data will get downloaded for you. You can click on the first link or the second link or third, fourth or fifth, any one link. All the link contains same data. Any one random link you can click upon and the data is going to get downloaded for you. Let me quickly share this link in the chat section for yourself and you can click on any one link over here. Okay. So I've shared the link now in the chat section for you. Simply click on any one link and the data is going to get downloaded for yourself. I am going to give you probably 15 seconds to download the data by clicking on the link in the chat section, and then we will continue the discussion from here. If you have joined from mobile phone, no need to worry. Simply focus on my screen, write some note for yourself. At later point of time, you can practice as well. So your 15 seconds timer starts from now. All right, guys, time is up. So I hope you have done it already. Let me check. We have got Sagar has done it already. We have got Arpita, Suman, Ankur, Wasim. We have that's great, Dell. Now some students are asking for link again. I will share the dataset link again in the chat section. You can click on any one link and the data will get downloaded. All right. Thank you so much for confirming. Lancy, Gobinath, Lenovo, Ani, and Meghna as well. Okay. And Syed Rizwan as well. Okay. Thank you so much for confirming. Now, guys, the first task is as a good data analyst, we have to understand the meaning of each and every column. This is Amazon sales data. Whenever you purchase something from Amazon.com, your data will get captured. Your data will get saved in the server of Amazon over here. And over here, you're going to see that this is the data that analytics manager of or analytics team of Amazon will use to understand their customers better. So first of all, we have got order ID. Order ID is a unique ID for every order. For example, you are placing an order and I am placing an order. Both of us are going to have a different order ID. Then we have got order date. This is the date at which the order got placed. All right. Then we have got ship date, the date at which the order got shipped to the customer. After that, guys, we have got the email ID of the customer, right? And then the geographical location of the customer who is purchasing from my website. After that, we have got the product name, the name of the product which is getting sold from my website, and what is the category of that product. Is it a electronics item? Is it a furniture item? Is it a, let's suppose, home appliance, home decor, right? So what is the category? And at last, we have got some numerical data like what is the sales, what is the quantity of item getting purchased, and what is the net profit that we are having. So you're going to see this is my data set, guys. First of all, we have got the order details. Then we have got the customer details. After that, we have got the product details. And at last, we have got the numerical data like sales, quantity, and profit over here. So first of all, we have to transform this data. We have to add some new columns, some customized columns. And before we start transforming our data, guys, let me quickly give you the link of notes as well. So today we will prepare some notes for ourselves as well, so that again, we can document everything, whatever we are learning, so that students who are not practicing, they can also practice at later point of time. So I am going to give you the notes link now. So this is the notes, guys, and I'm going to give you again 5 links. Any one link you can click upon, please. And these are Google document. If all of you will click on a single link, it will crash. So please don't click on a single link. Make sure that in a single link, there are no more than 60 participants. So you can click on any one random link, guys, and the notes will get open for you. I am going to share these links, the notes link, in the chat section. Please click on any one link. I will be clicking on all the links because I have to maintain notes in all the links. But you have to click on any one link over here. Okay. You can click on any one of them. I am going to click on all of them because again, I have to maintain notes. Initially, guys, you will see blank notes. Initially, you will not see anything. As we move ahead, as we start our learning, we are going to maintain the notes for ourselves. But initially, it will be completely blank. So you may click on any one link over here, guys. All right. So I'm going to give you some time for that. And let me also write some notes initially. Let me first of all write Tableau download and installation instructions over here. So in case there is someone who has not downloaded or installed Tableau, so that is perfectly fine. Or in case you have joined through mobile phone, so stay with me till the end because I'm going to document each and everything. All right. So, okay, there it is. Okay, so let me quickly paste the Tableau download and installation instructions over here. And all the notes are going to contain same thing, guys, right? Same notes are going to be there. Let me quickly copy that and paste it in notes 1. We have got notes 2 over here, notes 3, notes 4, and notes 5. Let me also quickly paste the raw dataset link over here in case there is someone who is not able to download the dataset which I sent to you initially. So that is also perfectly fine. Let me quickly copy the raw dataset link over here and paste it in your notes. Okay. All the link are going to contain same thing, guys, right? And the last thing is the chat GPT link. So as I told you, we are going to clean the data with the help of chat GPT. So in case you want to practice along with me, you have to sign up on chat GPT as well. You can sign up using your Google account, just like you do in any other website. I have pasted the chat GPT link in your chat section. Simply log in and simply sign up using your Google account over there. And then we are going to move ahead. Let me quickly check how many participants have joined notes. So we have got around, okay, let me check, around 40 participants on notes 1. We have got 30 participants almost on notes 2. We have got 40 participants on notes 3 almost. 40 participants on notes 4. And 50 participants on note 5, right? So again, we have got all these participants over here already, guys. Some students are asking for notes link again. So let me check which notes has the minimum participants. Notes number 2, 3, and 4 has the minimum participants over here. So let me quickly give you the notes link of 2, 3, and 4 over here. You may click on any one link and the notes will get open, right? Okay, any one link, guys. Please don't click on all the links. I will again share the link. Notes, click on any one link. All right. So I'm going to give you around 10 seconds timer so that you can open notes and check some instructions. You have got your Tableau link also over there. You have got your raw dataset link also and chat GPT. Everything is there in your notes. All right. Your 15-second timer starts from now. All right. Time is up. So let us get ready to practice things as well. So guys, now we are going to do some data transformation over here. Understand that we have got this order date and ship date. I want to create a new column. The name of this column is going to be status column. Now, what that status column is going to be, the status will tell me the status of my order. Is my order on time or is my order delayed? If the difference between ship date and order date is greater than 4 days, then it will be a delay. Otherwise, it will be on time. Okay. Again, I'm going to repeat. If the difference between ship date and order date is going to be more than 4 days, then it will be a delay. Otherwise, it will be on time over here. So first of all, guys, we are going to create a new column, which is going to be our status column. So how to create a new column? Simply select the email ID column. Simply click on this D for dog. Simply select the email ID column over here, right? You can click on the letter above email ID, D, right? Right click and click on insert. I am going to give you 5 seconds for this. Okay. Right click and then click on insert. A new column will be inserted. So it's going to be a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. So Meghna has already done it. So again, I will repeat. Simply select the D, right? Email ID column will get selected. Right click and click on insert. A new column will get inserted. Simply give this column a name, which is going to be status, right? Now I am going to write effective prompts on ChatGPT, right? So what kind of prompt I'm going to mention on ChatGPT? Let us quickly discuss that as well. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT now. Okay. And I'm going to paste a prompt over here, which is create an Excel formula to give value delay. If the difference of dates in cell C2 and B2 is greater than 4, otherwise the value should be on time. So what is C2 and B2? You will see this is C2, column C, second row. This is B2, column B, second row. So I'm going to say that if the difference between C2 and B2 is greater than 4, then give me delay. Otherwise, the value should be on time. I'm going to send this prompt to Chat GPT. And once I send this prompt, you're going to see that we are going to get an answer instantaneously. We have got a formula instantaneously as well for Chat GPT. I can click on this copy code over here, right? Simply click on this copy code. And again, you don't have to do it right now. I will give you time to practice. You just have to focus on my screen. I'm going to click on this copy code, and guys, you're going to see that this formula will get copied. This formula again got copied. I'm going to go back to Excel and paste this formula in my column D, second row, the new column that I've created. I'm going to do a control V, paste that formula, and you will see I have got on time ready in front of me. So that means my first order is on time. That is the power of ChatGPT, and that is how you can leverage it to your advantage. Now I want you guys also to practice it. I'm going to copy this prompt and paste this prompt in all your notes, right? So let me quickly write that. This is prompt number 1 for you. You can simply refer to your notes over here. Apart from that, guys, you can simply copy this prompt, paste it on Chat GPT, and you are going to get an answer. Your answer can be different from my answer, but the result is going to remain same. Simply copy the code from here. You can simply copy the Excel command, Excel formula, go back to Excel and paste it in your new column that you have created. Control V is the shortcut to paste it, and you are going to get on time. In case you are not able to use Chat GPT, I will write the solution over here as well. All right. This is going to be your solution number 1. Okay. Now you can simply copy that and paste it. I'm going to copy this prompt and paste it in your chat section as well, but you don't have to again copy it from, you cannot copy it from chat, you can only copy it from notes. So quickly get it done, guys. I'm going to give you some time on this. Okay, let me check. Please share notes. Okay, you don't have notes link, it seems. Let me check. Notes number 4 has minimum participants over here. All right, there it is. Okay, that's great. Meghna, Shrikant, Suman, that's great. Jyoti and Naresh as well. Can you please repeat chat GPT? So Shrutika, what you have to do is you have to copy the prompt from your notes, go to chat GPT and paste it. Send that prompt to chat GPT. You can click on the send button. You will get a formula, right? Excel formula will be generated. You can copy the code from here, copy the Excel formula, go back to Excel and paste it. Simply paste it and you're going to get the answer. For me, it is on time over here. Okay. So quickly get it done. I'm going to give you 5 more seconds, guys, and then we are going to move ahead. Okay, that's great. Dipali, Nandakumar, Mustafa. That's great. Rakesh, Pranali as well. Yes, Alvin, the formula can be different for you, but the result is going to remain same. Okay. Yes, Satakshi, what question you have got? Shrutika, Navina, Surya, that's great. Ankur, Prakash, and Krupa as well. That's great, everyone. How to write prompt. So with practice only, you will learn how to write effective prompts. There is a field of study as well, which is known as prompt engineering, which is used to write effective prompts on ChatGPT. All right, guys. So now what we have to do is we have to extend this formula to all the rows. Right now, it is only for the first row. We have to make sure that this formula is extended to all the rows over here. So how do we do that? It's a very simple approach. Simply double click at the corner of this cell. Okay. You simply have to double click at the corner of this cell, guys. This is the corner. If you can see, this is the corner. Simply double click at the corner of the cell. This formula will get replicated to all the rows as you can see over here. Okay, so this is what you have to do. Simply double click at the corner. This ends our task number 1, guys. And now let us move to task number 2. In case you did not understand task number 1, don't worry, we are going to revise the concept in task number 2 as well. Now, guys, you're going to see we have got an email ID column, and the requirement is I want to extract the customer name from this email ID. You will see the email ID is darrenvanhuff@gmail.com. So I want to extract the customer name. Okay, I don't want to put complete email ID. I want the customer name over here. How can I do that? So first of all, I have to create a new column for that, a new column for customer name. How do I do that? Select the email ID column again. You can click on the letter above email ID. It can be D or E based upon if you have created a new column or not. So simply select the letter above email ID. The email ID column will get selected. Right click and click on insert, and a new column will be inserted. I'm going to give you 5 seconds for that. All right, to insert a new column. It's going to be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. So now I hope you have inserted a new column, and give this column a name, guys. It is going to be customer name, right? And now we go a new check. I'm going to move to ChatGPT, guys, and paste a prompt over here in an Excel formula to extract name from email ID in D2. Is my email ID in D2? Let me check. No, my email ID is in F2, column F, second row. So I'm going to say write an Excel formula to extract name from the email ID in F2 with @ as a separator. With @ as a separator, I'm going to send this prompt to ChatGPT, guys. And once I send this prompt to ChatGPT, you're going to see I have got an answer instantaneously over here. I am going to copy the code from here. This formula is going to get copied into a combination of left and function. I'm going to go back and paste my answer. And once I paste my formula, you will see that I extracted the name from the customer mail ID instantaneously. That is how powerful and effective tools like ChatGPT can be. Let me quickly copy this prompt number 2 and paste it in your notes, so that you can also quickly feel the magic of ChatGPT over here. This is prompt number 2 over here. All right. So let me quickly paste it in all the notes, and then let me quickly also paste the footer. In to use ChatGPT, that is fine. This is your solution over here, guys. All right, let me mention in your chat section as well. But remember, you cannot copy it from the chat. You can only copy it from your notes. Okay. All right. So quickly get it done. And then we are going to move ahead. That's great. Sayyad, ABC, Satakshi, Meghna again. That's great, everyone. Okay. So quickly get it done. And then we are going to move ahead. All right. 10 seconds I'm going to give. You just have to copy the prompt, guys. You simply have to copy the prompt and you have to paste that prompt in your chat GPT. You are going to get the answer for that. Okay. This is what you have to do. All right. So quickly get it done. And then we are going to move ahead. 5 more seconds. Copy the prompt, paste it in chat GPT. You're going to get a formula, copy the formula and paste it in your Excel, the new column that you have created. And now guys, you have to make sure that we extend this formula to all the rows, isn't it? That's great. Again, Pranali, Anjali, Nandkumar, that is great. And I'm unable to paste, it's invisible. So Deepthi, in case it's invisible, you can just refresh your notes page once again and the prompt will appear over here. Okay. All right. So now, guys, what we have to do is we have to extend this formula to all the rows. How do we extend this formula to all the rows? You simply have to double click at the corner of the cell. Once you double click at the corner of the cell, this formula is going to get replicated to all the rows over here. So double click and you will see the formula will get replicated to all the rows. Now, guys, I quickly want to understand from you, students who have practiced, who have understood, again, who are making notes, who are trying to understand as much as they can. Can I get a quick OP from them in the chat section? Let me check how many of them are practicing with me. So we have got Shreya, we have got Shri, Shiv Prakash as well. We have got Tanya. That's great. Ankur, Surya, Shatakshi. We have got Hemant. We have got Meghna, Tejas Redkar, Krupa, Ashwin, Palak. We have got Shweta, Jinsha. Again, that's great. Ayushi, Janvi, and Deshwal, Jyoti as well. Supratik, Homalika as well. That's great. Shreya, Muskan, Shiv. All right. Let us maintain the same energy. Gautam, Tanya, Kaushik, we have got Jinal, we have got again Vinod, Harika, Ravindra. Let us maintain the same energy till the end now. So on this note, let us move ahead towards our third and last data cleaning task, guys. And then I will give you the final data set link as well. In case you are not able to clean the data, don't worry. I will give you the final data set link as well. And now, guys, you will see I have got a geography column. I have got a geography column over here. This is the geography of my customers. And all the values are there in this geography column. If you are going to see that the country name is mentioned, which is United States, the state is mentioned, which is Los Angeles, and the city is also mentioned, which is Los Angeles, and the state is also mentioned, which is California. So it is country, city, and state over here. All the three details are in a single cell. And guys, you should not have all the three details in a single cell. It is not a good practice. You should not have comma separated value in a single cell already. We should separate this data into three different columns. One will be for country, second will be for city, and third will be for state over here. Okay. So let us quickly create three different columns over here, guys. How do we create three different columns? Okay. All right. Just give me a moment over here. Chaudhary Aryan, don't spam like this. Otherwise, team will remove you. Okay. I don't want that to happen. Please don't do any sort of spamming over here. Okay. All right. So that's great. Let us move ahead now. Okay. So now, guys, we have got this geography column and I want you guys to create three different columns over here. How do we create three different columns? It's very simple. You just have to select the category column, right click and click on insert. How to select the category column? You can simply click on the letter above category, right click and click on insert. A new column will be inserted. This will be for country. I have to create two more columns for city and state. Again, right click and click on insert, and again, right click and click on insert. You will see three new columns will be created over here. Let us quickly write the name of this column. The first name is country, second name is city, and third name is state over here. H, I, and J. So quickly create three columns over here, and then we are going to move ahead. Why can't I insert column in Excel, HP? Because you must not be having the license to edit your Excel file. In that case, you can use Excel Online, which is free of cost. You can use WPS Office, which is free of cost as well. All right. So now, guys, we are going to write effective prompt on Chat GPT for our task number 3. And then I will give you the final data set link as well. I'm going to go to chat GPT and I'm going to write, I have comma separated value in G2. Okay. Write 3 Excel formulas to extract the value as comma as a separator. Okay. I will also write, don't use absolute reference. Absolute reference. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, I have got comma separated value in G2. I have to create 3 different formula for H2, I2, and J2. I'm going to send this prompt to chat GPT. And once I send this prompt, you're going to see we have got 3 formulas over here already. The first formula is for H2. It is creating more formula for me for I2. And then we have got for J2 as well. Let me check if it will work or not. So let me first of all quickly copy the prompt for or the formula for H2, go back to Excel and paste it over here. Once I paste it, I have got my United States ready in front of me, which is my country. Now I will copy the formula for I2, go back to Excel and paste it in I2. I have got my Los Angeles, which is my city, right? And I'm going to copy the prompt formula for J2, go back to Excel and paste it over here. And I've got my California ready in front of me as well. That is how effective and that is how powerful prompt learning can be, chat GPT can be, right? So now guys, you want you guys also to quickly practice it. So I'm going to copy this prompt and paste it in all of your notes. This is your prompt number 3 over here. Okay. And I'm going to paste the solution number 3 as well. So first is for H2. Let me quickly copy the answer for H2 and paste it in your notes. Or let me do one thing. Let me first of all quickly copy the prompt and then I will paste the solution over here. Okay. First of all, guys, I have pasted prompts over here. Now I'm going to paste the solution over here as well. This is for H2 over here. This is for I2. You can also refer to your notes. All the solution and all the prompt are there in your notes as well. And this is for G2. Perfect. So let me quickly copy that and paste it in all the notes. I'm going to paste this prompt number 3 in your chat section as well, but you have to copy it only from your notes. Yes, that is right. You can use text to columns as well. Okay. You can use text to columns as well. And Shuman, chat GPT might recommend you that as well. All right. What if the order is different in different rows? Then of course you cannot do that. Okay. Yes, Abhay, chat GPT might recommend you that as well. That is perfectly fine. So quickly get it done. All right. Okay, there it is. Viraju, you have got it in your chat. And then we have got Lakshmi Prasanna as well. You have got it in your chat as well. That's great. Navina, Naresh, and Tejas. Quickly get it done, guys. I'm going to give you some more time for that. And then we are going to move ahead. Okay. Can't the segregation be directly done in Tableau? You can do that. But we prefer cleaning our data before visualizing in a data source itself, right? It is a good practice. Why are we using don't use absolute reference? Because because we have to extend this formula to all the other rows as well, right? If it will use absolute reference, it will only refer to G2. It will never refer to G3. These are Excel concepts, relative and absolute reference. If you know about Excel, you will relate to it. If not, don't worry. We can learn end-to-end Excel as well at later point of time, right? Which will further help us. And that is why I say, right, Excel is also important for us to learn. Okay. All right. Now we are going to extend this formula to all the rows. How do we do that? I'm going to double click at the corner of the cell. I'm going to double click at the corner of this cell as well. And then I'm going to double click on the corner of this J2 cell as well. And the formula is going to get replicated to all the rows over here. Okay. A great progress so far. And now guys, I'm going to give you a final data set link as well. So in case you were not able to clean the data along with me, there is no issues. I have the final data set ready in front of me as well. I am going to give you 4 links of final data set. You can click on any one link and the final data set is going to get downloaded for you. Please don't click on all the link. Any one link you can click upon, and then we are going to move ahead with our Tableau learning. Okay, Sumit, that is because you are writing the incorrect formula. You can refer to your notes, right? All right. This is your final data set link. I'm going to paste the final data set link in your notes as well, guys. You can refer to that. Okay. This is your final data set link over here. All right, there it is. Let me quickly copy it and paste it in all your notes. Okay, you can simply click on it and download the final data set. And now guys, I am also quickly going to download the final data set. So let me quickly click on this and final data set is going to get downloaded for me too. For you also, you have to do it guys. It's mandatory for everyone to download the final data set. Okay. Now I'm going to show you that what kind of demo solution on Tableau we are going to target. So let me quickly open up my Tableau profile. Let me open up a Walmart or Amazon dashboard. This is my Tableau public profile, guys, and you're going to see this is the dashboard that we are going to target on Tableau over here with the help of our clean. Okay, so this is the data. All right. So over here, guys, as you can see, we are going to do our categorical analysis. This is my tree map. We are going to do our step-by-step top 10 product analysis. We are going to do our time series analysis. So end-to-end analysis we are going to do as a part of this program and build this interactive dashboards. All these charts can interact with each other, right? With the help of copiers, again, what is happening? With the help of binders, what is happening? We have got over here accessories as well, storage as well, papers as well. So all these charts are interactive as well. And end-to-end interactive dashboard we are going to create on Tableau. Now, guys, I'm going to give you 10 seconds to settle down, and then we are going to move ahead with our Tableau learning. All right. Great progress now. So now let us quickly move ahead. Guys, the team has already given you instruction on your email, WhatsApp group, how to download and install Tableau. I have also given you instructions in your notes, how to download and install Tableau. If you have installed Tableau, you can work along with me. If not, please make sure that you write your notes, take some relevant screenshots so that you can practice at later point of time. Okay. So now we are going to move ahead, guys. In case you have already installed Tableau, you can click on your start button and simply type Tableau over here. Tableau public is going to appear for you. Simply write Tableau, T-A-T-L-E-A-U, right? What do you have to type? T-A-T-L-E-A-U, and Tableau public will appear over here. Simply do that and then we are going to move ahead. Okay. Quickly type Tableau, Tableau public will appear and click on that. It will take some time. It might take 5-10 seconds to open Tableau for yourself, and then we are going to move ahead. Okay. Should we delete the geography column? I don't think we can do it right now because we are referencing to G2, right? Anshuman, comma separator is also there in product name. Won't we add those in different column? In product name, do we have comma separator? Let me check. Okay, so this is actually a part of the product name. Okay, it is not a different product, it's a part of product name. But over here, this is not same thing, right? These are different I would say dimensions. These are different attributes. That is why we are not separating product name into different columns. Is the final data set used only for reference? No, we are going to feed that data to Tableau. So please download the final data set so that we can feed that data to Tableau over here. Okay. All right. So guys, quickly open up Tableau. You just have to click on, just go to your start button, Anshuman, and you just, Anushka, sorry, you just have to type Tableau over here, T-A-B-L-E-A-U. If you have installed Tableau, Tableau public will appear in front of you. You can simply click on that and Tableau public will get launched. Okay, that's it. This is what you have to do. All right, guys. So I hope you understand that. Quickly get it done. And then we are going to move ahead. I'm going to give you 5 more seconds for that. All right. So now, guys, what we have to do is the next step is we have to make sure that we connect Tableau to data. Okay. That is what we have to do with, that is what we have to do over here. We have to make sure that we connect Tableau to data, because if you will not connect Tableau to data, how will you be able to visualize your data in Tableau, isn't it? So now, how do we connect Tableau to data? It's pretty simple. You have to click on Microsoft Excel at the left hand side. Simply click on Microsoft Excel at the left hand side. And once you click on that, you have to select your data set. It can be Amazon 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever the final data set link that you have downloaded. Simply click on that and then click on open over here. Okay, simply click on open. All right. And now you're going to see that Tableau is connected to your data, guys, right? You will see order ID, order date, ship date, status, customer name, everything is over there. So that is how you can connect Tableau to your data. It's pretty simple. I'm going to repeat it once more for you. You have to simply go to your start button, type Tableau in case you have installed. In case not, start writing your notes. It will help you a lot at the end. And simply click on Tableau Public or Tableau Desktop. Once you click on that, guys, the next thing that you have to do is you have to connect Tableau to your data. How do we connect Tableau to data? You are going to see, first of all, we have to click on Microsoft Excel at the top left. This is your Microsoft Excel button. Once you click on Microsoft Excel, you have to select the final data set link over here, which is Amazon 1 for me. It can be Amazon 2, 3, 4 for you as well. And then, guys, you have to click on open. Once you click on open, you're going to see Tableau will connect to your data set and all your columns will appear over here, your order ID, order date, ship date. And once you open Tableau, you simply have to click on sheet 1. Simply click over here, which is your sheet 1. And we will go inside the development environment of Tableau, where we are going to build our visualizations, where we are going to build our dashboard. So simply click on this orange color button, sheet 1 at the bottom. You can take notes as well. You can take some screenshots as well, so that you can practice at later point of time. Once you click on this sheet 1, guys, sheet 1 is going to get open. Over here on the left hand side, you are going to see all your columns, your category, country, customer name, order date, product name, and so on. You will see column and rows over here. So column and rows, just like in Microsoft Excel, we have got columns and rows. Similarly, on Tableau also, we have got columns and rows over here. And now we are ready to visualize our data effectively. The first visualization that we have to do over here is, the business is saying that, Rakshit, we want to make sure that we do a categorical analysis over here. This is known as a tree map. What is it known as, guys? This is known as a tree map over here. This is one of my favorite visual as well. And you are going to see that over here, we are analyzing sales by category. Now, how do we understand this tree map of sales by category? The bigger the rectangle, the maximum is the sales. The smaller the rectangle, the smaller is the sales. For example, you will see chair has got the biggest rectangle, biggest area, and it has got number 1 sales of $101,000. And paper has got a small rectangle. It has got a sales of only $26,000. So now we are going to build sales by category as a tree map in our Tableau environment. So let me quickly go to Tableau now. And guys, we have to build sales by category, isn't it? So where is your category? Now I'm writing step by step, guys. Where is your category? Category is the first option over here, as you can see. You have to click on category, drag it and drop it over this rows section. Simply click on category, drag it, you see I'm dragging it, drag, and drop it over this rows section, so that you can see your category individually as a row. This is your row number 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So what you have to do is you simply have to click on category, drag it and drop it over rows. All the category will start appearing in front of you as individual row. So quickly get it done. I'm going to give you 5 seconds for that. This is your step number 1. Again, I will repeat. Click on category, hold the click. Don't release the click, guys. Hold the click, drag it and drop it over this rows section, so that you can see the name of your category. All right, that's great, Lenovo, Navina, and Pranali. Now the next thing is we have to see sales by category, isn't it? So where is sales? Sales is somewhere at the bottom. I have to see the total sales in front of each category over here. So I'm going to click on sales, drag it and drop it over this text option. Text means I want to see the textual values of total sales. So I'll click on sales, drag it and drop it over this text, because I want to see the textual values over here, as you can see as well. Okay, so quickly do that. This is a step number 2, guys. I'm writing step by step over here, so that you can take screenshots and make proper notes for yourself as well. Okay, so quickly get it done. I'm going to give you 5 seconds for that. That's great, Naveen and Sazakshi. Now, guys, the next step is we have to convert it into a tree map, right? How do we convert? this table into a tree map, it's again very simple. At the right hand side, you are going to see a show me button. Simply click on this show me button, guys. Multiple type of charts will be available for you. You just have to click on the right chart over here and your table will get converted into a tree map. You have to click on fourth row, first column. This is your tree map icon. Fourth row, first column is your tree map icon. Simply click on that, guys, and you're going to see a tree map will be created for you. Fourth row, first column. Okay. So quickly create a tree map by clicking on that. All right. Under this show me, you have to click on this show me. You will get multiple options. You have to click on fourth row, first column, tree map will be created. And you are going to see that over here, we have got chairs has the maximum area because it has got the maximum sales. Then phones, then tables, and so on. But one thing is missing over here, which is my data label. I want to see the number over here as well. What is the number of sales, right? For example, if you will see in our original chart, we were having the numbers over here, isn't it? That my number for sales was $101,000, tables was $84,000. So we have to make sure that we write numbers over here, which is known as data label. Okay. So I am going to click on this sales again because I want to see that sales number over here. I will click on this sales, drag it and drop it over this label section. Once I drop it over this label section over here, you are going to see that data label will start appearing in front of me. You have to click on sales, drag it and drop it over this label section. So total sales will appear in front of you. This is your step number 4 over here. So quickly get it done, guys. I'm going to give you 5 to 10 seconds for that. Step number 1 is drag categories to rows. Step number 2 is drag sales to text. Step number 3 is under show me, you have to select the tree map option. Step number 4 is drag sales to label so that you can see data labels. And the last step, step number 5 over here is the title of my sheet is not good. It is sheet 1. I should have a proper title. So step number 5 over here is going to be simply double click, right? Double click. I will write DC. Double click on this sheet 1, guys. This is sheet 1, right? Simply double click on that. Once you double click, a box is going to get open and you can write anything inside that box. I'm going to write sales by category, and you can also select it, make it bold, italic, underline, change the color. You can do any sort of formatting over here. You can align it centrally as well. You can do a lot of things over here. Okay. And then you can simply click on OK, guys, and you're going to see a proper title will appear in front of you. And this marks your beginning of learning Tableau. You have successfully created your first chart. Chairs, phones, and tables are the top 3 categories which are generating the maximum sales for us. This is sales by category as a tree map over here. Okay. All right. Now, guys, again, students who are practicing, making notes, trying to understand as much as possible. Can I get a quick cool from them in the chat section? And then we are going to move ahead. Let me check. We have got Navina, we have got Satakshi, Rahul, Meghna, Akansha, we have got Tanya, Viraj as well. That's great. Gomati, Shri, Shiv, Zishan, Shreya, we have got Varsha, Pinkal as well. And then we have got again Surya, Arpit, Tejas, Muskan, Naveen. Okay, that's great. Everyone. Naresh, Bhagwat. We have got Vasim, Sundara, Molity, Ravindra, Yogada, and Homalika as well. All right, let us maintain the same energy till the end. In case you understand it, that's great. In case you are not able to understand it, don't worry. In the next visualization, we are going to learn some new concepts and we are going to revise some old concepts as well. You can take screenshots as well if you want, because all the steps are written over here. Now, guys, the next step that we have got over here is the business is saying that, Rakshay, this is great. Now, what we want to do is we want to do a top 10 product analysis. I want to find out the top 10 products which are generating the maximum profit for me. So these are your top 10 products as a bar chart. Let us quickly learn how to create top 10 products by profit bar chart. Now, to create a new visualization, you have to create a new sheet as well. This is your sheet where you have already created a tree map. Now we have to create one more sheet to create that bar chart. How to create new sheet, guys? You will see at the bottom, there are 3 plus icon. Simply click on the first plus icon, guys, at the bottom, just to the right of sheet 1, and a new sheet will be created for you. I am going to give you 10 seconds for that. Simply create a new sheet, guys. There are 3 plus icon at the bottom. Click on the first plus icon and a new sheet will be created for you. Sheet number 2. Again, I'll repeat. This is the plus icon at the bottom. You can check my mouse cursor. Simply click on that. A new worksheet is going to get created. And over here, guys, we have to check top 10 product name by profit. So where is product name? First of all, product name is somewhere in the middle. Step number one is going to remain same. I am going to click on product name, drag it and drop it over this rows section. Why? Because I want to see each and every product name in front of me. So I'm going to click on product name, drag it and drop it over rows. Tableau will give me a warning. Do you want to add all the members over here? Yes, I want to add all the members. So I'm going to click on add all members, the first step over here, so that all the product names can be added and I can see them right in front of me. This is your step number one, which is similar to the previous sheet. Now, guys, the step number two is also same. I want to see profit by product name, isn't it? So where is profit? Profit is somewhere in the middle. I'm going to click on profit, drag it and drop it over this text section. This is my step number two over here. Once I click on profit and drop it over this text, I am going to see the total profit in front of each and every product name. Total profit in front of each and every product name. So quickly get it done, guys. And then we are going to convert it into a bar chart. Step number 1, 2 are same, and step number 3 is also same over here, guys. How to convert it into a bar chart? You will see under show me, there are multiple type of options. You have to click on third row. I will again repeat, third row, first column. This is your bar chart, guys. Third row, first column. And you're going to see a bar chart will be created in front of you over here. By each product name, we have got a bar chart over here, as you can see. Isn't it? Now, guys, once we have got this bar chart ready in front of us, the next step that we have to do over here is we have to add data labels to this as well. Right now, the data labels are missing. You remember, right? It's very important to add data label. And there is a shortcut to add the data label as well. What is that shortcut? The first option is you can drag this profit to the label option, which was the earlier method. The shortcut is you have got a T button at the top. Right in the top menu, guys, this is your top menu where a lot of different buttons are there. There will be a T button in the middle. T for textual data labels. You have to simply click on this T button at the top and you will see data labels will appear in front of you. This is your step number 4. So quickly click on this T button. Very small T button will be there at the top. All right. Now, guys, the next step is I have to sort my data. I have to make sure that the product with the maximum profit is at the top and product with the minimum profit is at the bottom. So I have to sort my data as well over here. How to sort your data? Let me quickly guide you on that. So, guys, you're going to see there is a button at the top to sort your data under the Windows menu. This is your Windows, right? Under that, you will see a descending sorting button. Descending sorting button. A bigger bar, small bar, then smaller bar. Okay. So simply click on this button over here and your data is going to get sorted in the descending order over here. This is your step number 5. So quickly get it done till here, guys. Okay. This is your descending sorting button. A bigger bar, then smaller bar, and so on. All right. I'm going to give you 5 seconds for that. All the steps are mentioned in front of you, Aditi. You can simply check my screen and follow the step-by-step process over here. Okay, that's great. Tanaya, admin, Meghna, Ankur, and Priya as well, and Nandakumar as well. That's great. Viraju, quickly get it done, guys. Now the next step is very important. I have to get only the top 10 product name. Okay, I don't have to see all the products over here. I want to see only the top 10 products. So I have to now filter my product name. Very important, guys. I will be now filtering my product name. So I will click on product name. Focus. I will click on product name. I will drag it and I'm going to drop it over this filter section. This is my step number 6. So click on product name, drag it and drop it over your filter section. Once you drop it over this filter section, a box will get open for you. Again, I will repeat. Click on product name, drag it and drop it over this filter section. A box will get open for you. Now, guys, the next thing is we have to get the top 10 product name. So I will click on top over here. Okay. Once I click on top, I have to select the second option, which is by field. Top 10 product name by profit. As you can see, top 10 product name by profit. And then I'm going to click on OK. Okay. Simply click on top and then by field and then click on OK over here. All right. Quickly get it done and then we are going to move ahead. I'm going to give you 5 seconds for that. T option is disabled. If T option is disabled, that means, Jyoti, you have not added profit till now. So you have to add profit over here as well. Once you add profit to your text, then you will be able to see the T button, which is the data label button. If there is no data, how will you see the data label? Isn't it? Okay. So now you have to simply click on this OK. And guys, once you click on OK, I will again repeat. Shrutika, focus. Click on product name, drag it and drop it over this filter menu. Once you drop it, a box will appear. You simply have to click on top and then select by field. I want top 10 products by profit, and then click on OK. And you're going to see top 10 products will appear right in front of you. And the last step is same, which is step number 7, which is I have to double click on this sheet number 2 to write a proper title. So simply double click on sheet number 2, guys, and give it a proper title, which is going to be top, I would say top 10 product, right, by profit. And then you have to click on OK at the bottom. Top 10 product by profit. You have to click OK, and we have got our title ready in front of us. Feel free to take a screenshot, guys, because all the steps are mentioned over here. Okay. So quickly get it done. Manya, over here, you can publish your dashboard as well. You can integrate AI powered capabilities over here as well. Thousands of users can see your data real time when you publish this dashboard on a Tableau server. That is very, very important thing which Excel is missing. All right. So quickly get it done. That's great, Satakshi, Meghna, and Priyanshu. Now, guys, let us move ahead towards our last visualization over here, where the business is saying that, Rakshit, we want to do a time series analysis. I want to understand and I want to analyze my sales and profit by time, as you can see over here. So guys, we have got this sales and profit, and we are analyzing the trend. We are analyzing the time series analysis. This is sales and profit by order date. So let us quickly learn how to build this line chart of sales and profit by order date. So now, as I told you, to create a new chart, you have to create a new sheet. Okay, I told you initially, right? To create a new chart, you have to create a new sheet. There are 3 plus icon at the bottom. Simply click on the first plus icon at the bottom, and a new sheet is going to get created for you. Okay, there are 3 plus icons. Simply click on the first one. A new sheet will be created for you. And now we have to build sales and profit by order date. Start writing your notes in case you're not practicing, guys. Where is your order date? Order date is somewhere in the middle. I'm going to click on order date, drag it and drop it over this rows. This is my step number 1, as I have been doing in the previous 2 sheets. And the year will appear in front of me, as you can see over here. Now, the next thing is I have to click on profit and drag it and drop it over text, because I have to see my sales and profit by time, by order date. So same step, I will click on profit, drag it, and I'm going to drop it over the text. So total profit will appear in front of each year over here. I want to add sales as well over here, right? So I will be clicking on sales. Again, same step, I will click on it, drag it and drop it over text again, because I have to see both sales and profit by time. So I will click on sales also, drag it and drop it over text over here. Once I drop it, you will see I have got my profit as well, and I have got my sales as well ready in front of me by year of order date. Okay, so both profit and sales I have to add in the text section. Now, guys, the next step is I have to convert it into a line chart. How do I convert it into a line chart? So you are going to see this is your show me button, right? And inside show me button, you have to select the right option. The right option is 5th row, 1st column. 5th row, 1st column is your dual line chart. Simply click on that. And once you click on that, you're going to see we will get sales and profit line chart by the year of order date. I don't want to see by the year of order date. I want to see by week number, guys. For example, if you will see in our original dashboard, we don't have yearly data. We have got week level data. For example, this is 18th of December. This is 25th of December, 1st of January. Then we have got over here 8th of January, 22nd of January, and so on. So we have got week level data over here, and I have to convert my year level data to week level data. It's pretty simple. You have to right click on this year. This is your step number 5. Right click. I will write RC. RC means right click. Right click on this year at the top, right? In the column section, you will see year. Right click on that, and you can select week number. Right now, year has been selected. You can select quarter also if you want. You can select maybe month also if you want. You can select week number also if you want, right? I'm going to select week number because it will give me more trends over here. So simply right click on this year at the top, and once you right click, you will see multiple options. You can select week number from here, and you will be seeing your month, or sorry, week level trend over here, time series trend over here as well. And the last step is, guys, we have to give it a proper title. The title right now is not good. So I'm going to double click on this sheet number 3. Once I double click on this, I'm going to give it a proper title, which is going to be sales and profit by time, right? Or you can also write time series analysis of sales and profit, and then quickly click on OK. Once you click on OK, your chart is ready for our analysis, and you can analyze all the trends over here. Okay. All right. So quickly get it done. That's great. Shiv Prakash, Viraj, Priya. That's great. Again, Janvi as well. So Prakash, all the steps are there in front of you. You have to first drag order date to rows, then drag sales and profit to text, select line chart. After that, you have to select the week level data over here and then write a proper title over here. All right. Now, guys, one more thing I want to quickly tell you. Okay, that's great. Muskan, Jyoti, Mudisir, and Siddhi, and Varsha, and Priyanshu, other students as well. Now we have got individual charts over here. We have got tree map, we have got bar chart, we have got line chart. I have to create a combined chart. I have to create a combined dashboard where all the charts can be integrated. For example, if you will see over here, we have got a single page where all the charts are there, and all these charts are interactive as well. So let us quickly learn how to create a dashboard. This is known as a dashboard where we have got combination of multiple charts. So how do we create a dashboard over here? So first of all, guys, step by step, we have to focus on my screen. You have to click on the second plus icon at the bottom now. Okay. First plus icon is to create a new sheet. Second plus icon is used to create a new dashboard. Okay. So step number 1 is to click on the second plus icon at the bottom. A new dashboard will be created. Again, I will again repeat. Click on the second plus icon at the bottom, not the first one. First one is used to create a new sheet. Second one is used to create a new dashboard. Click on that, a dashboard will be created, right? Now, step number 2 is you will see show me menu is there. I don't need the show me menu right now because I don't have to build any visual. So I will be clicking on this show me, and this show me will get closed. Simply click on this show me, guys, it will get closed. That is your step number 2 over here. Okay. Now, guys, the step number 3 is I have to adjust the sizing of this dashboard. Right now, the sizing of this dashboard is not good. You will see this is the only size that I have got over here. I have to make sure that I extend this to the end. I have to make proper sizing to this dashboard as well. And I have to adjust the sizing now. So how do I adjust the sizing of my dashboard, guys? I'm quickly going to guide you. You are going to see a size option on the left hand side. You will see 20 cross 560, right? Simply click on minimum 420 cross 560. Then click on range and then click on automatic. I will again repeat. Click on minimum 420 cross 560 at the left hand side. Then click on range, right? This is your range option. And then click on automatic. I'm going to give you 5 seconds for that. Okay. So quickly adjust the sizing of your dashboard and write in your notes in case you are not practicing. It's going to be a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Now you're going to see the sizing of your dashboard has been adjusted. I'm going to give you around 5 to 10 seconds to settle down, create a new dashboard, adjust the sizing, and then we are going to move ahead towards creating a final dashboard. Your 10-second timer starts from now. All right. Time is up. So let us move ahead now. So now, guys, what Tableau is instructing me that I have to drag the sheets in this dashboard section. You see over here, it is written drop sheets here. So I'm going to click on sheet 1. click on sheet 1, drag it. You see I'm dragging it. Don't release the click. Drag it and drop it in this particular section, and the entire dashboard space will be taken by sheet 1. Okay. This is your sheet 1 inside your dashboard. You have to add other sheets as well. I'm going to click on now sheet 2, drag it, and now Tableau will give me option. Do you want to drop it on the left hand side? Do you want to drop it on the right hand side? So I'm going to drop it anywhere I want. Let me drop it on the right hand side over here. And you will see I have dragged my sheet 1 also. I have dragged my sheet 2 also. Both the sheets are added over here. Now sheet 3 is a little bit tricky, guys, because sheet 3 you cannot drag it and drop it over here. It will look very bad and you will not be able to analyze your data. We have to make sure that we drag sheet 3 in the bottom space so that it can take some space over here, because it's a line chart. It requires some space, right? So what am I going to do over here now is I am going to click on this sheet 3 over here. Once I click on this sheet 3, I'm going to drag it and I am going to put my mouse cursor at the bottom middle. I will again repeat. I'm going to click on sheet 3, drag it. You see I'm dragging it, and I'm going to put my mouse cursor at the bottom middle. Now Tableau will give me option to drop the sheet in the entire bottom section. I will again repeat, guys. Click on sheet 3, drag it and put your mouse cursor at the bottom middle while you are dragging it. Now Tableau will give you option to basically drop it to the entire bottom section, and it will take the entire bottom space over here, which is looking much better, right? Now, the last thing is, guys, I have to make this dashboard interactive. For example, if I will click on chairs, other charts should get filtered with respect to category chairs. If I will click on this product, other charts should get filtered, right? So I have to make these charts interactive as well. How do I make this chart interactive? Simply focus on my screen. First of all, I'm going to click on the first chart. I'm going to click on the first chart. You can simply click on the title of this chart, right? This chart will get selected. Now over here, guys, once this chart gets selected, you will see some options in the top right. These are some options, right? You have to click the right option over here. Right option is the third option, which is use as filter. Okay, simply click on the third option, which is use as filter. Okay, now this chart has become interactive. Same thing you have to do for the other charts as well. You have to click on the second chart now. You can simply click on the title. This chart will get selected. There will be some options on the right hand side, and you have to select the right option over here, which is your third option, which is use as filter again, and this chart will be again become interactive. Now, guys, you're going to see if I'll click on chairs, all the charts will get filtered. If I'll click on copiers, all the charts will get filtered. So now the charts have become interactive over here, as you can see, right? So this way you can basically make these charts interactive as well. A good progress till now, guys, and a great progress for all the students who are with me till here. All right. And before we move ahead, I just want to quickly understand from you, how is the workshop going on till now, right? It's been almost close to 2 hours. We are studying continuously. So a big kudos to you. But I also want to understand from you in the chat before I move ahead. How's the workshop going on till now? Some of your raw comments in the chat section. Let me check. Prakash is amazing. Very nice. Says Sundra. Interesting. Says Diya. Cool. Says Surya. It's great. Says Mustafa. It's one of the best workshop I have attended so far. All right. Thank you so much. Awesome. Says Sri Vidya. It's amazing. Says Ananta. Fantastic. Says Nitin. All right. Seems like you're making your weekend super duper productive and you are learning as well. That's a good thing, guys. Super amazing, sir. Glad to join you. All right. Thank you so much, Shiv, and other students as well. So seems like you're learning a lot. Now, guys, let me do one thing. Let me add more and more perspective learning over here, and let me show you that how AI is getting used these days. What are some AI powered dashboards? What are some AI powered visuals that we can integrate in this dashboard as well? So now let me quickly show you some professional dashboards, some AI powered dashboards as well. So you just have to focus on my screen. You don't have to do anything. It will just give you a perspective on what these tools are capable of doing. All right. So let me quickly guide you on that. Okay. I have it open now. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Please be focused on my screen now. You can write some notes if you want. Okay. So now, guys, you're going to see that I have opened a regional sales sample dashboard for ourselves. Now you're going to see this is also a sales dashboard, but just check it out. It is a professionally built color coordinated dashboard over here. We have got some important smart cards at the top. These are some important numbers that the business wants to see at the top over here. After that, we have got a funnel chart over here, right? It's a very important chart, especially in sales. That is out of 100% of my total sales, 56.4 has been achieved. We have got a tabular metrics over here as well. For example, the total sales in US West category is $30 million. I can get inside this as well, and I can find out what is the sales of Arizona, what is the sales of California, Colorado, and so on. I can drill up as well. We have got conditional color formatting map visualization over here, where the state color will tell me whether my sales is high or not. For example, dark blue means my sales is very high in Washington. Light blue means my sales is very less. Arizona is having a less sales of only $50,000. So this way, colors will tell me whether my sales is high or not. Apart from that, guys, we have got what if analysis as well. What if in future my sales increase by 20%? You will see everything is going to be in green, and the numbers will also change over here. What if in future my sales decrease by 40%? You will see some parts will be in yellow. And what if in future my sales decrease by 80%? You will see everything is going to be in red over here. Apart from that, guys, we can switch views also. I can go inside this trend section, and you're going to see that this is a ribbon chart over here. And you will also see that this is your life insurance sector, and life insurance is at the bottom in November. It moved at the top in December, in January as well. And then again, it pushed to the third position in February, March, and April, and so on. Apart from that, we have got textual insights as well at $2.7 million. Real estate investment trust had the highest revenue open, and so on. We have got trend analytics as well over here, where you can do some forecasting. For example, you're going to see this is my actual sales, time series analysis of my actual sales, and this is my forecasted sales based upon the previous pattern. What is going to be my sales in the future? Apart from that, guys, we have got over here anomaly detection as well. For example, my sales was very high on 11th of September. Oh, sorry, 11th of July. Why my sales was very high? I can simply click on this bubble, and it will tell me your sales was very high because your discount is 12%, 33% chances. Because of that, your sales is very high. Your campaign is customer lead reference. Your product is 1 year warranty. Manager is P. Dason, and so on, so that you can repeat all these steps again. We have got insight section as well, guys, where we have got AI powered visualizations. This is the key influencer chart, where it will exactly guide you that what type of decisions you have to take so that you can win a particular deal. For example, if you have to win a particular deal, then if your discount is more than 15.5%, you're going to see that 1.93 times chances you are going to win a deal over here. And it will give you explanation as well on the right hand side, that if your discount is more than 15.5%, 93.13 times chances you're going to win a deal. If your owner is Ann Wheeler, 1.7696 times chances you're going to win a deal, and 95% chances you're going to win a deal over here. This way it can guide you that what are the decisions we have to take. This is the lost section. What are the decisions that I am taking which is leading to the least load, right? So where I'm not going to able to sell my product. Whenever my owner is Jeff Hay, again, 1.74 times chances I will lose a deal. I will not be able to win it. I will not be able to sell my product. So this way it can exactly guide you what are the decisions that you have to take so that you can again maximize your chances, maximize your revenue. We have got Q&A section over here as well, where you can ask your questions, guys. For example, let me quickly say that show me maybe top 3 categories, right? Top 3 category by revenue over here, and you're going to see these are my top 3 categories by revenue. You can also say please show it as a donut chart, and it is going to convert it into a donut chart. So this way you can do a lot of analytics over here. All right, so I hope you understand that part, guys, and you can also export this data into the PPT format, into the PDF format. You can also go to the focus mode. You can go back to your report. You can export this as well in the form of CSV. In case you want to export it in the form of Excel, you can do that as well. You want to export it in the form of PDF or PPT, you can do that as well, right? You can subscribe to job alerts. You can subscribe to reports. You can put charts to spotlight mode. You can show this chart as a table. So a table will open in front of you. You can generate some advanced analytics on this chart as well by clicking on show additional analytics or get additional analytics over here. If there is any additional analytics, then definitely it is going to show back to you. So this way you can do a lot of analytics over here, right? So I hope you understand this. And I hope you got a learning that what these tools are capable of doing. All right. Now, guys, what I'm going to do is I am going to move towards real-time job analytics. I'm going to show you that how, what kind of jobs are there into the market real time, what kind of jobs are there for freshers, for experienced professionals, and so on. And before I do that, a lot of students were requesting me, how can we connect with you over LinkedIn? So again, guys, in case you want to connect with me over LinkedIn, I'm super active over there. So this is my LinkedIn profile, a link. In case you want to connect with me, you can send me a connection request, a follow request. I'm more than happy to connect with you, to guide you, to assist you over there as well. Okay. And we are going to do our real-time job analytics on Naukri.com. As you know, Naukri is the biggest portal in India for the job profiles. So let me quickly open up a Naukri.com portal over here and let me quickly guide you what kind of jobs are there available in the market for Naukri. And this is my Naukri.com profile. And you're going to see I am in the search appearance of 209 recruiters already with 13 recruiter actions pending from my side who have reached out to me for a job opening. Apart from that, guys, you will see I've got a 100% profile completion badge on Naukri.com. If I will go inside the view profile section, I have got everything updated, my resume, my key skills, my employment, my education, my skills like Google Data Studio, Excel, business analytics, data analytics. We have got business intelligence, Tableau, Power BI, SQL. All my skills are updated over here as well. Apart from that, all my projects, whether it is we have got a supply chain analytics project, sales analytics project, HR analytics, global PepsiCo performance analytics, financial analytics, manufacturing analytics. All my projects are also added over here step by step. Apart from that, guys, my online accomplishment like my LinkedIn profile, my Credly profile, where my badges are added, are also mentioned. All my certifications, for example, Microsoft Technology Associate, Microsoft Certified Power BI Professional certifications, Tableau Desktop Certified, or your SQL Gold Badge holder. All my professional certifications are also added over here step by step. So this way you have to build a complete Naukri profile for yourself, end-to-end project based or online portfolio for yourself as well. And now, guys, I'm going to search over here by the keyword of Tableau. And if I'll search by the keyword of Tableau, you're going to see we have got more than 65,000 job opening posted live on Naukri.com. And what are the different job domains? We have got business analyst requiring skills like data visualization, data integration using Tableau. Business analyst again requiring skills like Tableau. Business analyst by Flipkart requiring skills like business intelligence, data presentation, Tableau. We have got data analyst one by IBM requiring skills like SQL, advanced SQL, Tableau, problem solving, and communication skills as well. Again, business analyst, Tableau developer, data analyst, and so on. So as I told you, the data analyst and business analyst are interchangeable skills. Over here also you will see data analyst, and the skills required are Power BI, Tableau, Click, SQL, data analysis, 16 to 18 LPA they are ready to offer. Over here also we have got data visualization, data Tableau, A/B testing, and so on. So this way you're going to see that we have got bunch of again job openings for Tableau profile. And let me also filter it by freshers and let us check what results do we get over here, guys. So for freshers, we have got more than 2,100 job openings posted live on Naukri.com, which require Tableau as a primary skills. For example, data analyst, 0 to 2 years of experience requiring skills like SQL, Power BI, Excel, Tableau, and so on. We have got business analyst, 0 to 5 years of experience, 12 to 15 LPA they're ready to offer. For a fresher business analyst requiring Tableau the primary skills. Again, data analyst requiring skills like SQL, Power BI, Tableau, business intelligence, 0 to 7 years of experience, 0 to 5, 0 to 2, 0 to 5, 0 to 3, 0 to 5, and 0 to 4. That means starting from freshers to 7 or 4 years of experience. Over here, guys, even if we will search for, let's search for some core analytical job profiles like data analyst, and let us check what results are we going to get over here. So we have got for data analyst more than 67,000 job openings live on Naukri.com. So again, IBM is hiring into that. Data analyst one requiring skills like SQL over here again. Data analyst over here again. Power BI is required. SQL is required. Data analyst again. Data analysis, analytical skills are required. Power BI / Tableau is required. Data analytical skills are required. SQL is required over here. Data analysis, we have got data analysis over here as well. SQL, Tableau data analysis, and MySQL. So this way you're going to see that skills are mostly going to remain more or less the same. And let us search for freshers as well. Let us check what numbers do we get for that. So we have got more than 2,300 job openings plus live or for freshers on Naukri.com for data analyst starting from 0 to 3 years of experience, 0 to 6, 0 to 5, 0 to 8 again, we have got 0 to 5 again, and so on. And guys, let us search for business analyst as well. So you're going to see that skills for business analyst is also going to remain more or less the same. For example, over here also we have got again BI skills, we have got business intelligence skills, SQL skills over here, data visualization skills, Tableau skills, again data visualization and SQL skills, business analytical skills, and so on. Again, data visualization skills, Power BI slash Tableau, and so on. And even if we will search for domain specific job roles, for example, HR analyst. So for HR analyst also, you are going to see we have got more than 65,000 plus job opening requiring skills like Power BI, requiring skills like Power BI, Advanced Excel, BI, Business Intelligence. Again, we have got Tableau over here, SQL over here, Power BI over here, and so on. So for domain specific job roles also, the skills are going to remain more or less the same, right? So I hope you understand that. And guys, apart from this, we have got jobaaj.com also. So we have got our own job portal as well, which is jobaaj.com, which is for the jobaaj learning students. And over here, you're going to see that we have, jobaaj.com has multiple hiring partners, and they have a database of more than 6 lakh job openings. Multiple top hiring partners are associated with jobaaj.com. Every day job gets posted over here as well under the data category. And they specialize in data, finance, and consulting hiring, and they analyze all their data job openings as well, which are posted on their own portal. And out of all the, I would say, 30K plus data job openings which are posted over here, we analyze that. And on the basis of that, you're going to see the top skills which are required by the HRs over here are again Tableau, we have got Power BI, SQL, Excel, data modeling, dashboarding skills, presentation skills, and so on. So again, we analyze our own job profiles as well over here that are posted for jobaaj learning students on our own job portal. Okay. Apart from this, guys, we also understand that there are multiple opportunities into the analytics domain, core analytics, domain specific analytics, but understand that to grab that opportunity as soon as possible, you have to build a good personal portfolio as well. You have to build a good project based portfolio as well. You have to publish your project on online platform. So I'm going to show you some of my own and some of my students' personal portfolio so that you can take some inspiration and you can write in your notes as well. Okay. Let me open first of all my own Credly profile, and you are going to see, guys, that this is my Credly profile over here. And I have got a professional certification in Microsoft Power BI, in Tableau. Anyone can click on these badges and they can certify it. For example, if I will click on this Tableau badge, anyone can verify over here whether I was issued by Tableau as a Tableau desktop specialist. Is it verified or not? So this increase a lot of credibility because I have cleared a professional examination called Tableau desktop specialist over here. Okay. Apart from this, guys, you're going to see we have got Microsoft Power BI certified. Anyone can click on this verify and they will be able to verify end to end whether I'm a Power BI certified professional or not. Okay. So this way end to end Credly portfolio you can build, because again, for Power BI also I have cleared PL 300 professional certification from Power BI. So this way you can create or you can clear professional certification as well once you get the right knowledge, and you can attach all these badges in your Credly profile. That will have a lot of impact in your portfolio. Apart from this, guys, I am building my HackerRank profile as well. For example, you're going to see this is my HackerRank portfolio. I've got a SQL Gold badge over here because I have been practicing first from the basic level, then intermediate and advanced level, solved more than 50 challenges, and I can attach this link in my resume that I'm a Gold badge certified in SQL on HackerRank. And this is not just me. I have got over here multiple students, guys, who have got successful badges over here. For example, these are all my students who have got HackerRank badges. Let me open any one of them. For example, if I'll open Sweetie Biswas portfolio, so you are going to see that she's one of my students. She's professionally certified data analyst as well. And she got SQL basics, intermediate and advanced certification certified by HackerRank. Anyone can click on her badges. Anyone can validate her certificate. She can attach this certificate as well in a resume, which will improve a lot of credibility. Apart from that, she is a Gold badge certified as well in SQL. So this way, guys, you can build an end-to-end SQL portfolio for yourself as well on HackerRank. Students are also building their virtual internship portfolio, guys, over here. For example, let me open a virtual internship portfolio of maybe Darshita Sotaria. She has completed virtual internship from multiple big names in the industry. This is one of my students. Again, you will see that she got virtual internship certified by Accenture North America in data analytics. She got virtual internship certified by Tata Groups in data visualization, by PwC Switzerland in Power BI, by Quantium in data analytics. And all these are the skills that she got certified in through Forage. So this way you can complete some virtual internships as well. That will further help you a lot. All right. Apart from this, guys, students are building Tableau public profile also. They are publishing all their dashboard, their work on Tableau public profile as well. For example, this is Sudiksha Jain portfolio for you, and you are going to see that she published her executive summary dashboard on Tableau public. And anyone can interact with this dashboard without even signing in. Over here, we have got sales card, profit card, order card, top 5 states. We have got God chart, bullet chart. We can convert this into a tabular chart as well. I can also export it into the PDF format if I want. I can play around with the filter. So I can do a lot of things over here. So this is the end-to-end portfolio of Sudiksha Jain, where she has published her work as well, her dashboards as well. So this way, guys, again, as I told you, you can build a dedicated portfolio for yourself. It will help you immensely, right? You can also publish your exploratory data analytical projects on platforms like Kaggle.com. For example, this is Kaggle portfolio. Over here, students are publishing their work, end-to-end work. For example, let me open maybe Vishala portfolio for you, and you're going to see that she published her exploratory data analytical projects, analytical case study based projects on Kaggle, her EDA on agriculture land value, digital payments, video games analysis, marketing campaign analysis, heart disease data set analysis. So all these data analytical projects are also uploaded over here. And you can attach all these links in your resume as well. For example, if I will show you one of my own dummy resume over here, right? Let me check if I can open it up. Where is it? Okay, there it is. So you're going to see that this is one of my dummy resume. My title is mentioned, my summary is mentioned over here, my badges are mentioned. All these badges are interactive. My workex, my skills, technology, key projects engagement, award recognition. Anyone can click on these badges as well. For example, if you will click on Tableau desktop specialist badge, my Tableau profile is going to get open. So this way you can create an end-to-end resume as well, one pager, clean, crisp, and short resume, which will further help you a lot. All right. So I hope you understand this part. Now, guys, beyond this, I hope you have taken some notes out of this personal portfolio as well. Now, beyond this, I quickly want to also tell you that a lot of students usually also ask me that, Rakshit, we want to learn end-to-end analytics. So how can we learn that? What are some portals where we can upskill from? So guys, I personally do not recommend any portal, but again, just to give you some idea, for example, if you want to learn, let's suppose, end-to-end Power BI, PL300 Power BI certification, then you have to spend around 16,000 rupees plus GST, 15,000 rupees plus GST. If you want to learn end-to-end Tableau over here, then again, you have to spend around 15,000, 16,000 rupees, 15,000 rupees plus GST. Again, end-to-end SQL you want to learn, you have to spend around 15,000 rupees for self-paced learning over here. Apart from that, if you want to learn end-to-end Power BI, there are places like 16,000 rupees plus GST and so on. So there are multiple places where you can learn end-to-end learning over here. Apart from that, guys, again, you can take some notes out of it, but again, it is not a recommendation, but just to guide you that what are some programs available. I don't recommend it because the price point of this program is on a very high note. Okay. Now, there are two types of students who have joined this particular webinar, guys. The first type of students who have joined this particular webinar are those who want to get a brief idea into the analytics domain, who want to get a brief idea like what is basics of analytics. And for them, guys, we have done a lot of things. We have understood the fundamentals of analytics over here. We have understood that what I would say, how to clean your data using ChatGPT, how to write effective prompts on ChatGPT. We focused upon data visualization as well using Tableau. End-to-end learning we had using Tableau as well over here, right? So again, we've done a great progress till now for those type of students. And guys, we did some real-time job analytics as well. Now, there are second type of students as well over here who want to extend their learning even beyond this particular webinar, right? Who want to make sure or who are serious towards building a career into the analytics domain over here. Apart from that, who want to learn end-to-end analytics, who want to switch their career or start their career into the analytics domain. So I want to understand from you guys that how many of you are from the category 2 students over here, right? Who want to learn end-to-end analytics and who want to basically upskill or serious towards building a career into the analytics section and who want to extend their learning even beyond this webinar. Let me quickly check it. Okay, so we have got Mansi, Velu, Jyoti, Janvi, Divya. We have got over here Tanaya as well, Priyanka, Shreya, Utkarsh as well. We have got Anushka and Satakshi as well, Dhruv Patil, Durgesh, all right, Madhushri as well, Pavan as well. That's great. Garima, Sara, Venki, Sagar. Okay. Mohammed Tejas as well. We have got Khudaki, Nepali, Pooja. All right. Seems like we've got a lot of students. I was just looking for 40 students and I've got like more than 150 plus responses already, which is continuously increasing. That's a very good thing, guys. All right. Now, I also want to understand from you that how many hours you can spend per week in upskilling. Okay. How many hours you can spend per week in upskilling and upgrading yourself, including weekend, like in 7 days, how much time you can spend in upskilling yourself. So let me check. We have got Dhruv says 20, 5 says Hemant, 5 says Abhay, 2 says Naveen, 16 to 20 says Dipali, 6 to 8 says Surya, 10 says Lenovo, 18 says Naveen. Okay. As much as I can, that's great. Shiv. 3 says Tanaya, 10 says Srividya, 2 says Sagar, 15 says Divya, 3 says Komal, 20 says Janvi, 12 says Priyanka. All right, that's great, guys. I will tell you, if you can spend at least, I would say, 4 hours, 5 hours per week, including weekend, in learning and upskilling yourself, it's a great thing. You will see the difference in the next few months, and you will build a solid portfolio out of yourself as well. And if you can spend more time, it is even better, right? But at least I think if you can spend 4 5 hours per week, including weekends, then it's a good thing for you. All right, and you should spend this much amount of time in learning and upskilling yourself generally also. All right. Now, guys, again, for the serious committed students who want to learn end-to-end analytics under my mentorship. So for them, guys, what we have done is, again, who don't want to spend lakhs of rupees in upskilling yourself and learn upgrading yourself. So for them, what we have done is we have launched a end-to-end data and business analytics program in specialization with Tableau and Power BI. And I am going to be your chief mentor for this particular program. And we have launched this program in collaboration with jobaaj, which is our job partner, jobaaj learning, which is our learning partner, procapitas.com, our internship partner, and Ishan Group of Institution, our scholarship partner. So with their collaboration, we have launched this end-to-end analytics certification program. And I'm going to be your mentor for this particular program, guys. And over here, we are going to, once you complete the learning of this program, you will be eligible to apply for all these job openings, whether it is data analyst, business analyst, data scientist, analytical associate, analytical consultant, or whether it is Power BI developer, Tableau developer, business intelligence developer, or whether it is, let's suppose, visualization specialist, reports and dashboard developer, or whether it is domain specific job roles like financial data analyst, HR data analyst, supply chain data analyst, healthcare data analyst. So all these job profiles will be available for us to apply for, because the skills, tools and technologies are going to remain more or less the same. Apart from that, guys, we are not going to focus upon a single skill like learning just Tableau or just Power BI. We're going to learn the industry leader skills to become professionally certified data analyst. For example, Microsoft Power BI is the #1 business intelligence tool. Microsoft Excel is the #1 data analytics tool whenever you have to do ad hoc analysis. Google Data Studio, upcoming business intelligence tool. SQL, the #1 skill to interact with the database. And Tableau, your #1 data visualization tool. Apart from that, guys, your AI tools like ChatGPT, ChatGPT Premium, ChatGPT Plus, Midjourney, Bard, Copilot is also going to get covered, so that you are equipped with the AI skills as well. Apart from that, your optional learning of Python, NumPy, Pandas is also covered end to end as a part of this particular program, right from basics. Right. And guys, it's a structured learning program. So first of all, in semester 0 or in module 0, we are going to focus upon the data core concepts, the fundamental concepts, because we are coming from different background. It's very important to focus upon the fundamentals, like what is big data, what is metadata, what is a database, relational database, what is data center, data server, exploratory data analysis, what is key performance indicators, KPI, which type of chart you should use at what point of time, what is a metadata, what are the data analytical case studies. So first of all, we are going to spend some time in understanding all these fundamental concepts, guys, so that we can strengthen our foundations and we can strengthen our fundamentals over here. Okay. So data core concepts will set up the right pace for ourselves, and we will target a data expert badge over here. And after that, guys, we are going to focus upon Microsoft Excel complete mastery. Excel is a great tool whenever you have to analyze small amount of data for yourself. You cannot ignore Excel at any cost. So don't think that only I will learn big data tools. Excel is also very important. In your interviews also, Excel questions will be asked for sure. So whether it is pivot table, power pivot, power query, what if analysis, lookup, indexing, everything, dashboarding, visualization, we are going to cover in Excel as well in practical assignment based learning. And we will also target a Excel expert Microsoft badge on completion of it, so that you can include it in your Credly portfolio and you can become professionally certified as well. All right. So right from basics to intermediate to advanced to analytical based concepts, everything we are going to learn in Microsoft Excel as well, end to end. After this, guys, we are going to focus upon SQL learning, structured query language. SQL is very important. Mostly your first round of interview will be on SQL itself. So again, learning about database, relational database, learning about cardinality, MySQL as a tool we are going to practice, learning about aggregation, grouping, having clause, join, subjoin, we have got union, subqueries, everything we are going to learn in SQL by practically implementing, solving projects, case studies. And we will also target a HackerRank guaranteed gold badge right? So that we can include that in the achievement section of our resume. We will also target hacker rank basics, intermediate and advanced certification in SQL by solving challenges. And anywhere you are stuck, I am going to help you end to end over there. Okay. After this, guys, we are going to focus upon the number one business intelligence tool in the entire world, which is Microsoft Power BI. So level one, level two, both the level of certifications we are going to target, right from download and installation of Power BI to learning about Power Query, where you can transform your data, to learning about basic visuals, advanced visual, DAX, LODs, level of details, expressions, visualizations, Power BI server, to targeting a Microsoft certified Power BI badge. End-to-end learning we are going to do in Power BI also. All right. And apart from this, guys, we are going to learn end-to-end number one data visualization tool, Tableau as well. Both level of certifications we will do, right from download and installation of Tableau to understanding about sheets, all the features of sheets, calculated fields, parameters, AI based analytics, level of details, expressions. We have got data blending, advanced dashboard interactivity. So end-to-end learning in Tableau also we will do. We will publish our work on Tableau Public, and we will also target a Tableau certified batch, professional Tableau batch by Tableau itself. And again, so that we can include it in the achievement section of our resume. So guys, again, whether it is your Microsoft Excel, whether it is your SQL, data core concepts, Power BI or Tableau, or your AI tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, or your optional skills of Python, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, everything is going to get covered over here end to end, right from fundamentals, basics to intermediate, advanced, project concepts, case study based concepts. And we are also going to focus upon virtual internships as well. And again, these virtual internships are open for all, whether you are a working professional or whether you are a student or whether you are a career dropout. So we will be targeting 6 virtual internship as a part of this program. These are virtual and digital internship where we are going to complete our capstone projects and live assignments. For example, our first virtual internship partner will be procapitas.com. Procapitas.com is our research and consulting arm. They publish a lot of research articles, research blog posts as well over here. Apart from this, guys, you're going to see that over here, you will directly get certified by procapitas.com as well. Our second virtual internship partner will be PwC Switzerland, Accenture North America, Tata India, Quantium and KPMG as well, where we are going to apply our knowledge of data extraction, EDA, data cleaning, transforming, modeling, presentation skills, communication skills, and anywhere you're stuck, I'm going to help you. And again, I will repeat, this is open for all, whether you are a working professional or you are a student or you are a career dropout. And 6 individual certificates you will get, which you can include in the resume. You can talk about it in your interview, and it will boost your profile a lot. It will help you a lot in your resume screening as well. Okay. Apart from this, guys, we have got a lot of special added values as a part of this program. We have got dedicated resume building feature where you will be building your resume under my mentorship. You will be getting jobaaj resume builder portal as well, where analytical premium templates are uploaded. You can choose any one of them and build a solid resume, which I will review. You will be getting interview preparation guide as well, because I have cleared around 150 plus interviews. So I know what kind of questions are trending in the market. So you will be getting those important interview questions so that you are well prepared when you go to actual interview. You will be getting one-to-one live mock interview directly with your mentor, which is me. I'm going to judge your skills. I'm going to take your mock interview so that you are confident when you go to actual interview. And the best thing is, guys, we have got practical job assistance as well as a part of this program through jobaaj.com. Jobaaj.com is our own in-house placement partner, our own in-house placement assistance partner. They have 34,000 plus live job openings for data, 6 lakhs plus job database, 22 plus HRs who scrap and upload the job for us. And very few firms across India have their own in-house job portal. And jobaaj.com is our parent partner over here. So these are our special added value as a part of this particular program. Apart from this, guys, where do we differentiate ourselves? You're going to see over here, we have got 92% completion rate as a part of this particular program for the previous quarter batch aggregated. We have got highly successful hybrid mode of learning over here. In hybrid mode of learning, you will be getting 120 plus hours of on-demand lectures with lifetime access and lifetime access to the updates as well. You will be getting live classes on weekends as well, where I'm going to take your live class and you can interact with me as well. And even if you miss the live class, you will get the recordings for that. This way, we have got a hybrid mode of learning. 24/7 Discord support you're going to get. That means you will be added to a premium Discord community where you can ask any question at any point of time. I am the admin of that community. I monitor all the discussions over here. 24/7 Discord support you're going to get on our premium community as well. Unlimited career counseling. That means you can interact with your mentor that is me, on one-to-one basis. Ask any question, have personalized career discussion, personalized roadmap discussion on audio call, video call on my Discord portal. And that is where we differentiate ourselves. You have got lifetime access to the program as well. It is not going to expire, and there is no expiry fees for this as well. Our hybrid mode of learning, on-demand lectures, weekend live classes, 24/7 Discord support, unlimited career counseling are all added. And I am going to be a mentor over here, guys. We have got a very strong backing from jobaaj.com, which is our in-house placement assistance partner. They have got 22 plus HR members team who scraps and uploads the job for us. Apart from that, we are going to target 100% placement assistance from jobaaj.com. They keep us sending proposals as well. They have been ranked as one of the best job portal, India's growing job portal, by Yahoo Finance as well. Okay, we have got our referral community also, guys, where your previous quarter students, previous batch students have already transitioned their career, have already got placed. So they help new students get referral. And I also have very strong connects in almost all the analytical firms like Tiger Analytics, Latent View Analytics, Mu Sigma, ZS Associates, or consulting giants like PwC, KPMG, Deloitte, EY, or your IT giants like Wipro, Accenture, Tech Mahindra, Infosys, or your banking institutes like American Express, Citibank. So I've got good connects, and I refer my students as well on job IDs, because once you get referrals, your profile moves very, very high in priority. Apart from this, guys, it's a mentorship based program. That is why we will only have limited 40 students in this program. So one-to-one mentorship we are going to get. And again, I am just a message away on my Discord portal. You can simply type in a message and I'm more than happy to connect with you, help you, guide you. You have got my live call hand holding support as a part of this particular program as well. And again, there is no prior knowledge to be enrolled into this particular program. If you are committed, dedicated, if you want to upskill, upgrade yourself under one-to-one mentorship, again, I am more than happy to welcome you. Apart from that, guys, all you would require is an internet connection and a growth mindset. And this is going to be your roadmap for this particular program. First of all, we are going to have proper induction session, proper orientation on Wednesday at 9 p.m. So today is Saturday. Next week, Wednesday at 9 p.m. when everyone is free, we are going to have proper orientation. I will tell you the date as well. It's going to be 17th of April. Okay, so we will have proper orientation at 9 p.m. Dedicated group will be made by Tuesday, which is 16th of April. Right. And then, guys, you will get proper reminders for the orientation and induction as well. We're going to start with our subsequent live classes. We are going to learn about data core concepts, Microsoft Excel complete mastery, SQL and HackerRank portfolio, Python, NumPy, Pandas, Kaggle portfolio, Tableau public portfolio, Power BI server portfolio, virtual internship with procapitas.com, digital internship with PwC, Tata, KPMG, Quantium. You will get certified by jobaaj learning, and your professional examinations like Tableau desktop specialist or your Power BI certified by Microsoft will also get unlocked. In the 11th step, we will focus upon resume building, LinkedIn profile building, Naukri.com profile building, and our placement assistance is also going to get unlocked from there. Apart from this, guys, I've got a bunch of students who have successfully transitioned their career into the analytics domain. For example, you're going to see this is Pratham Bansal, who is from BCom background, and he transitioned his career to a financial data analyst in Planify Capital. So again, he got placed in Gurgaon, again, sharing all his experience, his roadmap. He's one of my students as well. Apart from this, you're going to see this is again Prasad, who transitioned his career from a customer support domain, BPO domain, to a data analyst in Viral Mint. He got placed, again, sharing all his experience, his work, his skill set, his roadmap, how one-to-one mentorship helped him. This is Sheikh Amir, who got placed from sales to a data analyst in Nextford, again, sharing all his work, all his, again, experience, his roadmap, his guidance to the future analytics professional. We have got Henel as well, guys, who got placed as a data scientist in K. Girdharilal International, Surat, again, sharing all his experience. So this way, guys, we have got bunch of success stories which get posted on bi-weekly manner on our own channel as well. Whether data analytics student getting placed in Samsung, whether switching their career from operational to operational data analyst after a career gap, sales civil background to analytics project manager. We have got over here Ishita Pandey, business analyst, she got placed. We have got Ashwati Dinesh, fresher data analyst. Again, K. Karuna, associate data consultant, and so on. So we have got a bunch of success stories. Electrical to analytics project manager in Bestcom Bangalore. So this is a bunch of success stories are published over here. You can have a look at it as well. And apart that, guys, right now we are forming a Lakshya 2024 batch for data and business analytics domain. And again, under Lakshya 2024, we are targeting impactful and affordable learning right now. And you're going to see, guys, that we have done a tie-up with Ishan Group of Institution as well, that our program are in collaboration with Ishan Group of Institution, which is a high-end technical and management institute. And we have bought our program under the corporate social responsibility initiative of Ishan Group. And 76% of the price will be scholarship by Ishan Group itself. All right. So it's a CSR scholarship based program. It's a Lakshya 2024 impactful, affordable learning with collaboration with Ishan. It was covered in Hindustan Time as well, that Ishan Group of institution and jobaaj.com collaborate to open new opportunities. And you're going to see that we deep on doing multiple collaborations to sustain our missions, to also make sure that we do multiple collaborations to use their training material, placement resources, student credentials, and so on. So again, Ishan Group of institution will be our scholarship partner. And for the limited students, we have got 76% additional scholarship as well. All right. Apart from that, guys, the investment in this particular program before our CSR collaboration with Ishan was around 35,000 rupees plus GST for the last to last quarter batch, where all the learning was included under 35K plus GST. And guys, after our CSR collaboration, we were able to reduce the price point to flat 15,000 rupees plus GST for the last year batch, which include all your learning, whether it is Tableau, Power BI, Excel, SQL, data core concepts, or your case study based projects, your assignments, Python, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib concepts, your virtual internship, resume building, interview preparation, end-to-end learning with one-to-one mentorship was covered under just 15,000 rupees plus GST as a part of this particular program. And as you know, right now we are forming a Lakshya 24 batch, target 2024 batch, and with that we have got a additional 76% scholarship from Ishan as a part of this program. And for the top 35 students, the entire investment in this program is going to be just 6,999 plus GST. We would be able to get 35 additional scholarships over here, guys. Lakshya 2024 is the coupon code, and Lakshya 2024 is the batch as well. And along with the scholarship, we are also going to get ChatGPT Plus subscription, ChatGPT 4.0 subscription for 6 months, which is worth 10,000 rupees. It is included in the student credentials of Ishan Groups over here, right? So top 35 students can apply the coupon code Lakshya 2024, guys, and the entire investment will be just 6,999 plus GST with no renewal fees or hidden charges. Apart from this, guys, it's a 4-month industry ready challenge. 4 months it is going to take to complete the learning of this program. However, it's a flexible learning program. You can take 5 or 6 months as well. That is perfectly fine. You can pause the program as well in between in case you're too busy. Your live class will get paused. But again, on an average, it is going to take us around 4 to 4.5 months to complete the learning of this particular program under my mentorship. And we will target Penta certification by jobaaj Learning on completion of Data and Business Analytics Advanced Certification Program, by Pro Capitas on completion of virtual internship in their analytics department, by PwC Switzerland on completion of Power BI virtual internship through Forage, by Accenture North America on completion of data analytics internship through Forage, and by Quantium as well, where we will complete our advanced analytics internship through Forage. And we have got a proper brochure page in place as well, guys, where you will see it's a data and business analytics advanced certification program in specialization with Tableau and Power BI. And over here, you're going to see I am going to be your mentor. Interested, committed, serious students can simply click on apply today. Apply the coupon code Lakshya 2024, LAKSHAY 2024. There are 40 students for this particular batch. Top 35 students scholarship we were able to get. We were requesting for all 40, but we could only get for 35. Now 35 students can apply the coupon code Lakshya 2024, and the entire investment in this program, guys, is going to be just 6,999 plus GST. And there are 2 ways in which you can book your seat under my mentorship. The first way is you can book your seat in a one-shot payment of 6,999 plus GST. This way, your seat will be reserved instantaneously, and instantaneously you will get the access to the program on jobaaj Learning, so that you can start your learning right from today as well. Of course, we are going to have orientation on Wednesday at 9 p.m. and dedicated batch will be made by Tuesday. Guys, the second way in which you can book your seat is, for example, you are falling short of cash, then you can also book your seat in a booking amount of just 1,100 rupees. Your seat will be reserved in a CSR scholarship amount of 6,999 plus GST. You will be added to the batch on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we are going to have proper orientation as well at 9 p.m. And after our orientation, you can clear the remaining dues as well at later point of time, which is going to be 6,999 minus 1,100, which is 5,899 plus GST. So both ways you can book your seat. In case you want to start instant learning, you can book your seat in 6,999 plus GST. In case you want to reserve your seats and attend proper orientation and all, you can also book your seat in a booking amount of just 1100 rupees, and your seat will be reserved under scholarship amount. The team has given you two links in the chat section, guys. The first is the full brochure link where you have to manually apply the coupon code Lakshay 2024, LAKSHAY 2024, without any space in between. You can write that coupon code, guys. You can write in small letter also, or you can write in capital letter as well. The second link that team has given you is a checkout link, guys, where the coupon code is already applied. As you can see, you just have to enter your name, email ID, phone number, select any mode of payment, whether it is full amount or booking amount, and your seat will be reserved under the scholarship pricing, under my mentorship. And we are going to start with our learning of end-to-end analytics. All right. Apart from this, guys, a lot of details are mentioned on this particular page as well. 35 students can apply this coupon code Lakshay 2024. Any question you have, you can post your question in the chat section. The team will be helping you to the best of their knowledge. And till then, I will show you more features of this program as well. For example, we have got a lot of success stories, guys, who get posted on our own channel as well. For example, students getting placed and again sharing all their experience, success stories, their personalized roadmap. Again, what kind of mentorship they have got, what is their recommendation to the future analytics aspirant. We have got over here Ishita Roy, who got placed as an operational data analyst, again sharing all their work experience. She got a career gap as well, what kind of recommendations she has got, what kind of roadmap she followed. We have got over here Vipin Rao as well, from sales civil background. He transitioned his career to a analytics project manager in Bangalore, again sharing his work, job profiles, interviews, HR rounds, and again what is his recommendations and personalized mentorship. If you want to seek, you can seek as well. Apart from that, this is Ishita Pandey, who got placed as a business analyst, again sharing all their work experience, again what kind of final semester what kind of, I would say, final capstone project she did, which was credit card fraud detection project, and what is her recommendation to the college going students. Over here we have got Ashwati Dinesh also. She got placed in eClerx Pune. It's a listed company, very big company. And again, she got placed. What are her skills? What are her skill sets? Again, what is her roadmap? Apart from that, how many rounds of interview she had, interview questions that were asked to her, and what is her advice to the future analytics aspirant. These are all alumni of jobaaj Learning. We have got Karuna over here, who got placed in Capgemini Bangalore as an associate data consultant. Again, sharing all their work, experience, roadmap, skill set, background, and again what is their future aspirations. Over here we have got over here Naveen also, who transitioned his career from electrical domain to a analytics project manager, again sharing his work experience, what kind of data analysis he has done, how he started his career, how he switched his career from electrical to analytics project manager in Bestcom, right? We have got over here Arihan Surana as well, who switched his career from non-tech background to a business analyst. How did he apply? Apart from that, what are the key learnings he has got, how one-to-one mentorship helped him, and so on. We have got Khushi Yadav as well, who took a career gap of 5 years. And again, she started her career as an analytics professional, again sharing all her work experience, how she tackled the career gap, what kind of projects you can show, or what kind of resume you can build to tackle your career gap on real time. Apart from that, we have got Hari Haran as well, who's a student from Chennai, and he got placed in Topple Merrill Chennai as a data analyst, again sharing all his work experience, how virtual internship helped him. So we have got a bunch of success stories, guys. This is Jagjit Kalra, who got 2 job offers, one from Mu Sigma as a decision scientist in Bangalore, and one from Expand My Business in Gurgaon as a business analyst. And he chose the second one because of location preferences. But again sharing all his experience. Over here we have got Dharmesh Sutar as well, who transitioned his career from mechanical domain to a data analyst in Limudi fashion. He's right now placed. We have got Binod as well, who got placed as a data analyst in Indian American Foundation. He switched his career. So this way, guys, we have got a bunch of success stories. We not only post some random names, some random pics, you can actually interact with these students as well on our Discord community, on our LinkedIn community as well. So this way, again, I am more than happy to guide you also to have your own success stories on our own channel. And by bi-weekly manner, we release a lot of success stories of our own students as well. All right. Apart from this, guys, before we move ahead towards other features of this program, I quickly want to tell you that 9 students have already booked their seats under a scholarship amount of 6,999 plus GST, or a booking amount of 1,100 rupees. Both ways you can do that, guys. Your seat will be reserved under scholarship amount only. 9 students have already done that. And last 31 seats are remaining for this Lakshya 2024 batch. I would like to welcome over here Sheikh Mudasir Basha. We have got Kavya Upadhyay, Naina Verma, Arjun Yudavanshi. We have got over here Aditya Agarwal, Rajiv Bakshi. We have got Neha Chaudhary, Vikas De, and Priya Diwan. Welcome to this particular program. We are going to have orientation right on coming Wednesday, and by Tuesday itself, dedicated batch will be made. Okay, it's a scholarship based pricing where you don't have to spend lakhs of rupees. The actual price of this program is still 25k plus GST on our own jobaaj learning website. But over here, as a part of this particular workshop and under CSR scholarship, you will be getting it at a flat 6,999 plus GST or a booking amount of 1,100 rupees. That's it. Okay. Apart from this, guys, your generative AI program is also covered over here. Your AI tools knowledge. For example, today we were learning about ChatGPT, right? So end-to-end learning on ChatGPT, we are going to get covered over here. Your prompt-based engineering, how to write right prompts. A lot of students were asking how to write effective prompts. So this is what we are going to cover over here as well. How to use ChatGPT to increase your productivity to become a better data analyst. What is AI-based reporting, AI-based data visualization. This is also we are going to get covered over here. How do we do AI-based report using Tableau and Power BI? What is Microsoft Copilot? So end-to-end learning automation like Zapier automation we are going to cover. So end-to-end AI tools are also covered under 6,999 plus GST, and your ChatGPT Plus subscription. Your ChatGPT 4.0 is also covered as a part of this program for 6 months completely. All right. You can read the top performers journeys over here as well, guys. As you can see, apart from that, who is this program for? You will see all the students who are right now in their college, first, second, third, fourth year, who wants a proper mentorship guidance, who wants to basically apply for off-campus placements, internships, wants a proper assistance till their on-campus placements. Companies come in their college. Again, I can be your mentor, and I'm more than happy to assist you and guide you. Apart from that, guys, all the working professionals who are right now working in any domain, any department, any sector, who want to basically upscale themselves, upgrade themselves under scholarship pricing, flexible program timings. Apart from that, who want to switch their career, start their career, wants to apply for internal job posting, or want to have at least 40-50% career hike in the next few months. Again, I can guide you end to end for that. In case you have a career gap because of any reason, for example, government exam preparation, you have taken a career gap. Again, I can guide you with the right internships. How can you restart your career gap? In case you're a fresher straight out of college, again, more than happy to be your mentor. And in case you want to switch your career, for example, you are from arts domain and you want to switch your career into the analytics sector, I can guide you on that as well. Okay. Of course, you should have a growth mindset to be a part of this particular program. Apart from this, guys, I would also like to tell you that 391 participants are live on this page, and 14 students have already booked their seats as a part of this particular program. So 14 seats have been reserved under the scholarship amount of 6,999 plus GST or a booking amount of 1,100 rupees. All right. Apart from this, guys, last 26 seats are remaining, and top 35 students can book their seats in a scholarship amount of 6,999 plus GST or a booking amount of 1,100 rupees over here. So again, 26 seats have been remaining over here. All right. So I would like to welcome over here Ananta. We have got Sangeeta Priya, and we have got Shruti Gupta and Sandhya Gandhi. Welcome to this particular program. We are going to have orientation right on coming Wednesday, where I'm going to be a mentor, and right by Tuesday, dedicated group will be made. And again, here book your seat in a scholarship amount of 6,999 plus GST or a booking amount of 1,100 rupees. All right. Apart from this, guys, your tentative weekly learning is also mentioned over here. For example, in week 1, what are we going to learn? Of course, the fundamental core concepts like why data is the new oil, Amazon, Netflix case study over here. We have got what does Gartner say, types of data analysis, task of data analytics. Again, you will see say week 2 data literacy concepts over here, like what is big data, what is metadata, what is RDBMS, data wrangling, what is cloud computing, aggregation, deviation, distribution, KPI, everything we will learn in week 2 as well as a part of this particular program. Week 4 will be all about Excel, because you have to get practical hands-on learning over here as well, guys. So end-to-end learning on Microsoft Excel also we are going to do as a part of this program, and right from basics, intermediate, and advanced knowledge we are going to learn. And we have got 100 plus lectures just dedicated for Microsoft Excel learning, where we are going to practically implement it and create assignments, create dashboards as well. You will be learning upcoming business intelligence tool, Google Data Studio, as well as a part of this program. Your SQL level 1 learning, your SQL level 2 learning is also going to get covered, and we are going to target a SQL Hacker Rank Gold batch as well, right? On so that you can include it in the achievement section of your resume. That will further help you a lot. All right. Your Power BI level 1 learning, your Power BI level 2 learning, your Tableau level 1 and level 2 learning. And guys, beyond this, add optional learning of Python, NumPy, Pandas, because
Learning is a continuous process, right? So beyond this Python learning, NumPy, Pandas learning, I will show you the portal as well where we are going to learn is also covered as a part of this program. And extreme job preparation will be powered by jobaaj.com over here in terms of resume building, in terms of interview preparation guide, in terms of dedicated job assistance, and one-to-one live mock interview, right? So this is also covered under 6,999 plus GST. And you don't have to be from an IT background to get into the analytics domain. I am also from electronics background, guys, and my mentor is from mechanical background. We both have switched our career into the analytics domain again and again. If we can do that, you can also do that. I've got students from chemical, civil, mechanical, customer support, BPO domain, right? Again, civil sales domain who have transitioned their career. So again, there is no educational entry barrier, but you can use your education to go into domain specific job roles. Apart from that, guys, your internships are also guaranteed. End-to-end internship, 6 virtual and digital internship will be covered. And again, I am going to be your mentor in that. Anywhere you will stuck, I will help you in that. Apart from this, guys, you're going to see you will get 6 individual certificates under our internship program. It's a virtual digital internship. You can do it at any point of time and any place as well, right? Apart from this, guys, jobaaj learning also rewards their students who complete the program on time and submit their assignments on time. So you get reward also from 500 to 5,000 INR. It's not a very big amount, but just to motivate our students even further. Again, guys, I welcome you to be a part of our exclusive data community. And again, I am going to be your mentor. Enrollments are open for Target or Lakshya 2024 badge over here. Apart from this, guys, before I show you other features of this program, there are a lot of features that I have to basically discuss: the internship portal, the learning portal, the resume portal, and so on. But before I do that, I quickly want to tell you that 21 students have booked their seats in a scholarship amount of 6,999 plus GST or a booking amount of 1,100 rupees. So 21 seats have been reserved over here, guys. Last 19 seats are remaining. Apart from that, top 35 students can book their seats either in 6,999 plus GST or a booking amount of 1,100 rupees. Okay. So I would like to welcome over here. We have got Anushka Anap Reddy, we have got Velu N, we have got Pratna R, Manisha Kaul, Nikita Joshi, Dev Iyer, we have got Maya Heather as well. Shruti, okay, from Shruti Gupta, I've already discussed, and Sandhya Gandhi and Jenny also. Welcome to this program. We are going to have dedicated orientation on Wednesday, guys. And again, welcome to the scholarship-based program, mentorship-based program. I am going to be your end-to-end mentor. Okay. Now, guys, let me show you some portals as well. For example, procapitas.com is our research and development partner, and this is our virtual internship partner as well. And over here, you're going to see that we have got, they publish a lot of research podcasts, they publish a lot of research articles, they publish a lot of trending news as well, they publish latest research reports as well. And we are going to do our virtual internship under the analytics department of procapitas.com over here, right? So procapitas.com is going to be our first virtual internship partner. But it is not going to be our last virtual internship partner, guys, because we have to do other virtual internships as well through other big names in the industry, right? So I'm going to show you the next virtual internship that we are going to do is going to be with the help of Tata, guys, where we are going to do a data visualization internship, empowering business with effective insights virtual internship over here, as you can see. And we will directly get certified by Tata over here in data visualization domain. And over here, it's a job simulation internship. That means whatever task a data analyst perform in their day-to-day life, we are going to simulate those same tasks over here. And you will also get certified in all these skills once we complete this virtual internship from Tata. First of all, we will get a video from Tata CCC officer, and then we are going to start with our task. Task 1 is going to be framing the business scenario. It's very important to understand the business behind the data, guys, right? It's very important to understand that, what kind of business use case I am going to have with the help of our data, how I am going to help my business stakeholders at the end. So you have to think from the perspective of business leaders. So dedicated training will be given to you on that. Task 2 will be choosing the right visual. You have to make sure that you choose the right visual with the right data set. And in our program, we have got dedicated section where you will learn which chart to use at what point of time, so that you can communicate your information effectively. Task 3 is going to be creating effective visuals with the help of Tableau and Power BI. These are number 1 softwares, number 1 tools. And task 4 is going to be communicating your insights and analytics. So you have to learn soft skills as well, guys, that how do you present your insight to the business stakeholders? How do you communicate your insight to the business stakeholders? That is also going to get covered as a part of this program. And you will directly get certified by Tata over here. Apart from that, guys, the next virtual internship will be with Accenture in navigating numbers, data analysis, and visualization. And it is also a job simulation internship. All the tasks will be mentioned over here as well. Task 1 is going to be project understanding. You have to make sure that you understand the project, you understand the responsibility of a data analyst, typical project team over here. And after that, we have to focus upon data cleaning and data modeling. Today, we learned a little bit about data cleaning, but end-to-end data cleaning, we are going to learn as a part of this particular virtual internship and in our own program as well, so that you know all the basics, intermediate, advanced techniques of data cleaning and data modeling as well. And task 3 is going to be data visualization, guys, because once our data is prepared, cleaned, modeled, then we have to make sure that we visualize our data effectively. And with the help of, again, Tableau and Power BI, we are going to do that. And after that, we have to present our insight to the business stakeholder, which is also very, very important. And this is a kind of certificate, guys, that you're going to get once you complete the virtual internship from Accenture. Your name and again, your title of the virtual internship, everything will be mentioned over here. Okay. Apart from that, guys, the next virtual internship will be with PwC. It is a big four firm, as we all know that. And we are going to do our virtual internship in specialization with Power BI. And in our own program also, we have got a specialization in both Tableau and Power BI, right? That is why I have included both the tools so that we can complete Power BI virtual internships as well over here. It is also going to be a job simulation based virtual internship. But over here, guys, we are going to solve a case study as well. We are going to increase the retention rate of my call center. And these are all the skills where we are going to get certified into once we complete the virtual internship from PwC. First of all, we will get a dedicated introductory video from PwC Switzerland. And then task 1 will be introduction to the project. Apart from that, task 2 will be making sure that we understand the call center trends, create a Power BI dashboards. Again, make sure we have the relevant KPIs, key performance indicator. Task 3 will be customer retention. We have to make sure how do we form a strategy with the help of our analytics to build a good customer retention strategy, right? And task 4, of course, is going to be presentation skills, communication skills over here. All right. Apart from this, guys, we will do our advanced virtual internship as well with Quantium. It's a very big firm. And in this, we are going to do our advanced virtual internship once we complete our intermediate and basics virtual internship. Over here also, all the tasks will be mentioned. It's a job simulation based internship. All the skills that you're going to get certified into will be mentioned over here. Your commercial thinking, data analysis, again, data wrangling, data visualization, presentation skills. All the tasks will be mentioned over here as well. For example, task 1 is going to be data preparation and customer analytics. Task 2 is going to be experimentation and uplift testing. Task 3 will be analytics and commercial application. And task 4 will be, of course, presentation skills. All right. Now, before I show you even more features of this particular program, guys, I quickly want to tell you that 25 seats have been booked as a part of this program. So 25 students have reserved their seats under the scholarship amount of 6,999 plus GST or a booking amount of 1,100 for Lakshya 2024 batch over here. All right. Last 15 seats are remaining. Top 35 students can book their seats in a scholarship amount of 6,999 plus GST or a booking amount of 1,100 rupees over here. All right. So Lakshya 2024 is the coupon code for the remaining 10 students. And again, I wholeheartedly welcome you all to be a part of this program, guys. I would like to welcome over here. We have got Mohammad Shakir, Disha Malhotra, Naina, and Ria. Welcome to this particular program. We are going to have orientation right on Wednesday. Dedicated batch will be made by Tuesday itself. All right. Apart from this, guys, we have strong backing by jobaaj.com. Jobaaj.com is our learning partner, and jobaaj.com is our job partner as well, where dedicated job openings are posted. Apart from that, we have got dedicated interview portal as well, where again, by Deloitte, what kind of you would see questions are asked. Most frequently questions asked by PwC, EY, top 15 latest data science question asked, top 35 latest big data question asked, top, I would say 31 business analysis question asked. So you will get access to an entire ecosystem over here where you will get internship portal, learning portal, job portal, internship. We have got interview portal as well over here. Apart from this, guys, this is jobaaj learning where we are going to learn and upskill ourselves. We have got a bunch of mentors associated with us. We have got equity mentors, finance mentor, consulting mentor, marketing mentor, product mentor, and I am going to be your chief analytics mentor over here where you can connect with me at any point of time, and you have got my lifetime mentorship. Apart from that, I am more than happy to connect with you with other mentors as well. If you think, right, if you want to connect with other mentors also, I'm more than happy to assist you in that. Apart from this, guys, this is our community section where students can post their thoughts as well, whatever thoughts they want to post. So they can post it over here as well in the data community. So multiple students post multiple articles, they post their certificates as well over here. All right. Apart from that, guys, we have got a proper dashboard section over here. Now, in this so this is the post, right, that students share. For example, they have completed a program, so they will share their certificates over here, right? It's a community, internal community, just like LinkedIn. All right. And now, guys, I'm going to show you jobaaj learning portal. I'll go to the dashboard section, and you are going to see that this is going to be your program, which is data and business analytics advanced certification program. All your learning, your on demand lectures, your live classes, everything will be published under data and business analytics advanced certification program over here. Over here, you're going to see that we have got multiple premium tools also. For example, build my free resume. It's a premium tool worth 2,000 per year, but you're going to get it at absolutely free of cost. This is a tool which is built by the team of jobaaj for jobaaj learning students, so that they can choose any template, any ATS friendly AI powered resume template for themselves, whether it is professional template, corporate template, modern template, premium template, and they can build a solid resume for yours, for themselves. And then I'm going to personally review and approve the resume, guys, so that you know how to build a good analytical based resume. So you will be getting access to this premium tool as well, which is going to be resume builder by jobaaj. Apart from this, guys, we have got optimize your LinkedIn profile also. This is a LinkedIn optimizer portal which is built by the team of jobaaj, again for jobaaj learning students. And with the help of this tool, you will be able to optimize your LinkedIn profile. All right. This will fetch the LinkedIn data, right? And once your LinkedIn data is fetched, it will start analyzing it. It will give you rating. For example, it has given me a rating of 61 out of 100. I can get inside that and I can find out why it has given me a rating of 61. What are the issues and what are the places where I can improve my LinkedIn profile? For example, I am lacking in the summary section. I can get inside that and it will tell me that you have to widen your summary. Your summary is less than 200 words. Again, there is no call to action found in your summary. That means there is no email ID in your summary. How will people reach out to you on your LinkedIn, right? If they want to communicate with you personally, how will they do that? So again, you have to include a call to action as well. I am lacking in the headline section also. Let me check what are the issues. So you're going to see, guys, that over here, make the headline bigger. It is all real-time information that this tool is fetching from my LinkedIn profile. There are too many symbols in your LinkedIn profile, so you have to remove that. This way you will get access to this LinkedIn optimizer as well, which is 3,000 per year, but for jobaaj learning students, it's going to be free of cost. So because you will be a premium a member of this particular community, which is jobaaj learning. Apart from this, this is going to be your program, guys, which is data and business analytics advanced certification program. Under the program section, you will get it, and all your modules will be listed over here step by step, as I mentioned to you initially, right? For example, your data core concepts is going to be your semester number 1, where we are going to focus upon the fundamental concepts, as I told you initially to you. Then we have got Microsoft Excel complete mastery over here. The second tool, the second practical, I would say, semester, where we are going to implement practically all the stuff. Then we have got Python core concepts. As I told you, your optional skills are also covered as a part of this particular program. We have got NumPy pandas. Again, your optional skills are also covered. So don't think, first of all, I will complete the basic skills. Then then only I will go to optional skills. No, you will get real-time access. You can start learning at any point of time. You have got Zero to Hero in SQL as well. Looker Studio, upcoming business intelligence tool, Tableau beginner to advanced, Power BI beginner to advanced, your live classes, your guest lectures, everything will be uploaded. For example, if I'll get inside this live class, you're going to see all your live class will also get uploaded over here. For example, we were discussing about chi-square test, right? And you're going to see that even if you miss the live class, you will get proper recordings. We discuss a lot of algos as well in our live class. We do real-time projects, case studies, so that you can include whatever we study in live class, you can include directly in your resumes as well. And even if you miss it, you will get proper recording for that. You will get proper notes for that as well, as you can see over here. Okay, so this way end-to-end structured learning we are going to do. For example, we were focusing upon naive-based classifier. It's a data analytics technique to classify your data. So end-to-end learning we are going to have, right? It's an interactive live class where you can interact with me as well at any point of time. And I'm more than happy to assist you, to guide you guys on real time. And it's a lifetime mentorship. Don't hesitate in asking questions. You can ask your questions 10 times as well. And don't worry, no one is going to judge you on that. Okay. It's a very good community. I will show you my Discord community as well, where you will be a part of, where you can interact with me. Now, guys, apart from this, let me tell you that I invite a lot of guests as well. Right? I invite people from Deloitte, EY, KPMG, ZS Associate, Trinity Life Science, so that they can give guest lectures to our students. Okay, so I invite those guest lectures as well, so that again students can learn from their experience, from other mentors experience. For example, I'm inviting, let's suppose over here we have got Kuldeep Yadav, we have got Anubhav Walia, inviting him. He's a senior consultant in Deloitte, again sharing all his experience, all his work, what kind of skill set he has got, and you can build a good network with the help of these professionals as well. All right. Apart from this, today we were discussing about Tableau, isn't it? So let me show you end-to-end learning on Tableau, guys. So you're going to see this is your end-to-end learning on Tableau that we are going to do in our on-demand lectures, in our live class as well. Create your first visualization, install Tableau resources, developing marks card. We have got shelf pane. We have got map visualization. We have got organizing, simplifying data, field and chart types, advanced field and chart types with basic analytics. Again, Gantt bar chart. We have got calculations and date analytics as well, which is time dimensional analytics. Calculated field over here, relationship building, joining tables, union tables, right? Apart from that, level of details expression, data connection, dashboard building, and publishing your work on Tableau public. That is also very, very important. So end-to-end learning also we are going to do over here. All right. Apart from this, guys, I would also like to tell you that we have got a proper project-based portal as well. And before I show you project-based portal, I quickly want to tell you that over here, guys, 29 students have reserved their seats under the scholarship amount of 6,999 plus GST, or a booking amount of 1,100 rupees. Last 11 seats are remaining, and top 35 students can book their seats in a scholarship amount, as I mentioned to you initially. So I would like to welcome over here Nitin, Ganesh, PK, Prakash Gupta, Priya Darshani, and Sara Khan. Welcome to this program. Samli Rose J. Also welcome to this program. Guys, after our scholarship ends, the price is going to change a little bit. For example, if I will show you the jobaaj learning portal, in our own portal also, if you will see data and business analytics advanced certification program, if I'm going to enter my name, let's suppose, and enter some email ID over here. And don't worry, guys, don't think that I'm not going to answer your questions. After this, I'm going to take all your questions now, right? Once I explain you the features of this program, I'm going to take all your questions one by one. Okay, now we have got, I'm just entering a random lead on jobaaj learning page, and you're going to see the investment in this program is actually 25K plus GST without our CSR scholarship. So again, as a part of this CSR scholarship, the students will be students will be eligible to enroll in this program at a flat scholarship amount of 6,999 plus GST, or a booking amount of 1,100 rupees. Apart from this, guys, last 6 seats are remaining under scholarship amount, and total 11 seats are remaining over here. All right. Apart from this, let me also quickly guide you that we have got proper module-wise learning also. For example, module 1 is Excel. Now, once you complete Excel learning, you will get proper interview questions guide. What kind of interview questions are asked in Excel? Question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, so that you can prepare well in advance, right, about all the important Excel interview questions when you go to actual interview, so you know what kind of questions you can expect from the interviewer. Apart from this, guys, you're going to see we have got a proper projects as well. You will get a proper lecture on how to create reports, on how to create presentations over here. You will get demo projects as well. For example, Ankit Raj Mishra has published his project on peerlist.io. Now, he has given a proper summary. You can visit his project as well. Look at his Excel, his Tableau, SQL, and Power BI project-based portfolio on peerlist. So this way you will get demo project portfolio as well. We will get proper project ideas as well, and how you have to submit a project report, so that you can include it in the achievement section and the project section of your resume. We will get analytical based case studies also, guys. For example, our first case study is pizza place case studies. So we will get proper recommended analytics for that. We will get proper data set links for that as well. Apart from that, we have got Airbnb listing case study. So first of all, we will understand the data. We will transform data. We will do the recommended analysis over here. We will get data set links from where we are going to download this data, prepare a report presentation so that we can include it in the project portfolio section. Marketing campaign data set analysis. We have got movie rating analysis, telecom churn analysis. So you will get 20 case studies over here that we are going to solve. And anywhere you're going to stuck, I am going to help you. All right. Apart from this, guys, students publish their case studies also on Tableau Public. For example, if I'll open Neha Yadav portfolio for you, so you're going to see that she published her work on Tableau Public over here. For example, Netflix case study she published, Uber case study she published, cardiac patient medical health case study she published, telecom churn analysis case studies. We have got crime against women case studies she published. And this is how you crack a job role, right? This is how you build a trust in the mind of recruiter and set up your credibility by publishing your work online platform so that anyone can interact with that. and your project should be with the help of a purpose. You should be recommending something at the end, and that is what we are going to do in our module 1. And subsequently, guys, we have got module 2 learning, where again end to end learning we are going to do as a part of this program. We have got module 3 learning as well, where we will complete virtual internship through Tata, Accenture, Quantium, and BCG. Module 5 learning, where we will get, again, once we complete the learning, we will get exploratory data analytical project, EDA project, and guidelines will be given to you as well for this EDA project. First of all, we have got evaluation criteria of this EDA project. Select a real world data set, perform data preparation and data cleaning, perform EDA and visualization, ask and answer questions about data, and at the end, of course, we have got summarize your inferences, write a conclusion, make a summation, and you can publish your work on platforms like Kaggle.com. As I told you, you will be publishing your work on Kaggle.com. I told you one Ishita portfolio, right? Ishita got placed as a business analyst. So you're going to see this is Ishita Kaggle portfolio, and she published all her EDA projects over here, movie rating prediction project over here, data science job analysis, credit card fraud detection. This was her capstone project, and airline passenger satisfaction. This way they are going to publish their work on Kaggle.com. And I also give them option to build a advanced portfolio, guys. You can also publish your work on medium.com. Students write articles on medium.com as well. For example, let me open any one article. Let me open Tanya article for you. So you're going to see she published her entire work on Medium, the data set, the project steps, data exploration and data cleaning, about the data set, data visualization, building multiple charts and graph and pie charts and bar charts. And again, she has got proper conclusion at the end as well. She has got proper recommendations at the end as well for the business stakeholders. And this is just one article that got published. She has published a lot of other articles as well. ETA on meteoroid landing analysis, supermarket sales data analysis, analyzing Netflix shows, global happiness trends, and so on. So this way, when you include it in the achievement section or in your resume, when you include my article got published on medium.com, and you can attach the link of that, that is going to have a different level of impact in your resume, guys. Trust me on that. All right. So this way we are going to build advanced portfolio as well. Some students are also asking, will we be building GitHub portfolio? Yes, we will build GitHub portfolio as well. In case you're interested, I can guide you end to end how to build a GitHub portfolio. This is Akansha Garg portfolio on GitHub. All her projects are posted over here. All her resume, her profile, everything is posted, and all these links are interactive, guys. For example, if I'm going to click on this analyzing e-commerce trend analytics, her Tableau public profile is going to get open, and I can check end to end over here what her dashboard was all about, what is the work all about, and we can check our entire dashboard work over here as well. This way students are building their GitHub portfolio as well. All right. So I hope you understand that. And this is how we are going to build our end-to-end portfolio. Now, guys, let me also quickly show you my Discord community where students interact with me, where they can ask their questions, where they can post their doubts, where they can have one-to-one career-related discussions, right? So this is my Discord portal, discord.com, where you will be added right on Wednesday. And over here, guys, we are going to interact with each other. You can ask any question at any point of time for lifetime. Even the students who are associated with me from 2020, 2021 are still in touch with me. They ask me questions. They seek proper guidance for me as well. So for example, you're going to see over here, we have got multiple students, right? Debojyoti, Raghav, Sanjana, Jagannath, Ayush Sinha, we have got Pooja Kaustubh as well. So these are all my students who interact with me on one-to-one basis. They seek guidance. They, again, submit their work, submit their resumes. And again, any sort of discussion they want to have, they can freely have it at any point of time. I am more than happy to assist them, to guide them, to help them, and so on, right? For example, this is Monik Raj. She asked a lot of questions, which I like as well. So you see one more doubt. I have this doubt. Can you please help me in that? So you get proper, I would say doubt clearing sessions as well. And again, you can ask as many doubts. I give her the assignments as well over here. You're going to see that she is submitting all her work. She can ask unlimited doubts over here at any point of time. Even if your program ends, guys, you can ask any number of doubt at any point of time. And I'm more than happy. These are all one-to-one interaction that I am having with her, right? So this way, guys, we have one-to-one interactions as well. At any point of time, we can have any sort of interaction. For example, this is Puneet, again, having regular discussions with me. He submitted his resume to me as well yesterday, guys. You see my resume, please review it. And I reviewed his resume end to end, gave him proper recommendations that there is inconsistent formatting. Resume is very detailed and text heavy. Maybe you can make it compact. For example, a professional summary can be of max 3 lines. Try to conclude this experience in max 8 to 10 pointers with highlights important keywords like Power BI. This way, I review end-to-end resumes as well of my students. All right. So end-to-end discussion, guys, you can have with respect to anything. That is why I tell you it's a mentorship based program where you can interact with your mentor on one-to-one basis, ask any question at any point of time, and I am more than happy to assist you, to guide you, to help you. And then she told me that, okay, I am going to improve and I'm going to do the necessary corrections over here. All right. So this way, guys, again, you're going to have one-to-one discussions as well. Students have one-to-one call with me also over here. For example, you're going to see this is Heta, have regular discussions, ask me questions, and we have regular one-to-one calls with each other as well. For example, I also checked her resume, having one-to-one call for 7 minutes on Google Meets. Also, we have call. In fact, today also I have a call with one of my student over here. If you will see, let me check if I have it in the calendar or not. Okay, there it is. Yes, today also I think I have a call with him at around 10. Yeah, one-to-one connect with Dwaj, right? So this way I set up one-to-one call as well with Dwaj Yadav. I have one. So again, students can interact with me on one-to-one basis as well, and I'm more than happy to assist them, guide them. Apart from this, guys, I give them proper placement assistance as well. For example, we have got Pradeep M over here. Again, I am giving him that please apply for these job profiles. We are actively hiring for these job profiles over here. As you can see, please apply for all these job profiles over here. Job updates by jobaaj.com, and your resume is fine. I gave him documents as well. What are some tips and tricks that you have to follow so that you can increase your chances, maximize your chances of getting placed as soon as possible with dedicated job assistance as well, job leads. These are all job leads of jobaaj.com itself. All right, so this way you can subscribe to the job leads on jobaaj.com. Also, I refer my students as well. And guys, we have got a proper, I would say, a group as well. For example, you will see this is data and business analytics premium live group. And before I discuss more about this group, I quickly want to tell you that 33 seats have been booked as a part of this particular program, guys, and last 7 seats are remaining. 33 students have booked their seats in a scholarship amount of 6,999 plus GST, or a booking amount of 1,100 rupees. Both ways you can do that. By day after tomorrow, which is by Tuesday, we are going to form dedicated batch on WhatsApp of all the 40 participants, and then by Wednesday, next day only, we will get proper orientation, right? And I'm going to take your induction, and proper reminders will be given to you. 2 seats are remaining, guys, under scholarship amount. The rest 7 seats are remaining over here. I would like to welcome Dhruv Patil, we have got Priyanka Chakraborty, we have got Niveta E, and Nitin Ganesh PK. Welcome to this program. Again, more than happy to be your mentor, to guide you and to assist you. We are going to have orientation right on coming Wednesday, where I'm going to guide you again. All right. 2 more seats are remaining, guys. Apart from this, I have got a community as well. This is a community of highly dedicated professionals, highly dedicated students who want to upscale, upgrade themselves, and who are ready to help each other as well. So you are going to see that I monitor all the discussions over here. Students ask their questions as well. For example, Puneet is asking a question and you will get a reply from me. This way, over here, students are asking questions and you're going to get a reply from me. And students help each other as well. For example, again, Puneet asks a question, you're going to get a reply from me as well. It's a limited students premium community where students can ask any question, and I am going to be the admin. I monitor all the discussions. Students help each other as well, and I am also going to help you end to end as a part of this program. So you will be added to this dedicated community as well, guys. All right. So this way, guys, end-to-end learning we are going to do as a part of this program. Apart from this, anything you want to discuss, any question you have, feel free to discuss in the chat. The team will be helping you. In some time, our live Q&A will also start, where you can also ask questions to me on one-to-one basis. One common question that I'm getting is the time duration. It's going to take around 4 to 4.5 months to complete the learning of this program, guys. However, you have lifetime access to the program. You will get weekend live classes, weekdays on-demand lectures, 24/7 Discord support for your doubts. Apart from this, guys, in case you want to apply for freelancing job roles as well, you are most eligible to apply for that. For example, this is Tableau. I would write Upwork. So you're going to see on Tableau, Upwork, multiple freelancing job profiles get posted. So you will see over here, we have got $150 per hour and $50 per hour over here as well. $6,600 they are ready to offer for Tableau desktop, right? Apart from this, you're going to see $6,600 for Tableau training, again $150 for again data analyst. We have got data scientist. We have got over here again data extraction, $50 per hour over here as well. Data visualization, 30 hours per week they're ready to offer for us. Tableau data analyst, again 30 hours per week. Dashboard development, $1,000, and so on. So you see over here that multiple freelancing jobs also get posted. So I can guide you on how to basically make sure that you brag these job profiles. You basically get your first client, how to build a good portfolio, how to bid for these projects and so on. And if you want to build a secondary source of income, I can guide you end to end, because I have also built a secondary source of income for myself. So if you want to build a 6 to 7 figures of salary of income in parallel to your main job, I can guide you how to apply for these freelancing jobs as well. All right. Apart from this, guys, anything else you want to discuss, feel free to discuss in the chat. Your career related question you want to discuss, any career assistant related question you want to discuss, you can discuss it. And now I am monitoring all the questions in the chat section as well. I am personally going to respond back to you. Okay. So your live Q&A also starts from now. Shiv Prakash, yes, you can do that. Don't worry on that. Timing, Arsal, is going to be on weekends at 12 p.m. We are going to have our live class. Even if you miss the live class, you will get a recording for that. Weekdays on demand lectures you're going to get. Apart from this, any question the team has missed, guys, you can again post your question in the chat. I am going to monitor all your questions now. Okay. Now, apart from that, let me check. We have got any other questions, any other relevant question. I booked by paying 1100. What next to be done? So you don't have to do anything, Sarah. Your seat has been reserved and you're a part of this program, scholarship-based program. You will be added to the batch by Tuesday itself. And on Wednesday, we are going to have proper induction and orientation session, which I am going to take, right? So you don't have to do anything. How long will the class take place? So Manya, on an average, the duration of the class will be 1 to 1.5 hours, depending upon the topic that we are studying. Okay. All right. If I miss the class, will I get a recording? Yes, Kostov, you're going to get a recording for that as well. Don't worry on that. Okay. Apart from this, guys, any career related question you want to ask, you can ask it, or any question the team has missed in the chat section, you can ask again. I am monitoring all the questions now. Can I still book my seat under the scholarship amount? Yes, you can book your seat. 2 seats are remaining under scholarship amount. Total 7 seats are remaining over here, as the team has instructed you initially also. Yes, guys, day 2 also we are going to have. Day 2 we will have on Monday at 7 p.m. We will have day 2. All right. Details in remote jobs. So again, if you will see on Naukri.com, if I will filter for remote jobs as well. So there are multiple companies that are offering remote jobs as well, but not all the companies are offering it. Okay. For example, if I'll write data analyst, we have got 67,000 plus job openings. And if I will put to remote or hybrid, so you're going to see we have got around 4,800 plus jobs, which are remote and hybrid. And you're going to see for remote, we have got 2,700 plus job openings and highly paid job openings as well, right? For example, you're going to see we have got 10 to 20 LP as well over here. Okay. Can you search for financial data analyst? Yes, guys, financial analyst is a domain specific job roles, right? For example, if I will write financial analyst, so you're going to see we have got more than 67,000 job opening for financial analyst, and the skills required are Python over here, Power BI over here. And that is why I've covered Python also, right? So that you can upskill parallelly. Whenever you get time, you can upskill parallel to optional skills as well. All right. So again, you are going to see that financial data analyst skills are more or less going to remain same over here as well. All right. Apart from this, guys, anything else you want to discuss, feel free to discuss, and I'm more than happy to guide you and assist you. Okay, let me check. All right. Certificate will be provided after day 2, Shivanjali, Kunduri, and Satya. Okay, after day 2, certificate will be provided. Day 2 is on Monday, 7 p.m. Okay, dedicated reminders will be sent to you. Don't worry on that. Class timing, Sangeeta, will be on weekends at 12 p.m. Dedicated reminders will be sent to you. On Zoom, we are going to have live class, and you will get weekdays on demand lectures as well with lifetime access. Don't worry on that. All right. Anything else, guys, you're going to ask, you want to ask, you can ask it. Yes, Nilam, it is available, right? It is available. Don't worry on that. Harsh Kumar Chaturvedi, welcome to this program, guys. 34 seats have been reserved now. Last 1 seat is remaining. Okay. 34 seats have been reserved. Harsh Kumar has also booked a seat recently, and last 1 seat is remaining under scholarship price. The rest 6 seats are remaining as a part of this particular program over here. Okay. All right. Duration of the program, Sangeeta, it's going to be around 4 months, 4 to 4.5 months. It's going to take us to complete the learning of this program. However, you can take some more time as well. That is perfectly fine. Okay. Will day 2 be the people who paid for and booked? No. Day 2 will be for everyone, Manya. Don't worry on that. All right. Once the seat is booked in 1100, when should I pay the remaining amount? If you want to book your seat in a complete one-shot payment, Vinod, you can book your seat in a complete one-shot payment over here right now as well. The link is there. If you want to reserve your seats in a booking amount, you can do that as well. We have got a booking amount over here also. If you book your seat in 1100, you have to pay just the remaining amount, which is 5899 plus GST. After orientation at a later point of time, you can do that. Can I refer my friend? He's not a part of this workshop, but he also wants to join. Guys, I forgot to mention about it, that there is a referral policy also. There is a referral scholarship also. If you want to refer your friend, you can simply mention the name of your friend, email ID of your friend, phone number of your friend, whoever it is, right? select any mode of payment, whether it is full amount or booking amount, your friend's seat is going to get reserved, and you and your friend, both of you are going to get a referral scholarship of 1,000 rupees extra. For example, this program is 6,999 plus GST. If your friend will also join, you both will get at 5,999 plus GST, right? 1,000 rupees additional scholarship also you're going to get as a part of this program if you refer your friend. If you will refer two friends, then you will get 2,000 rupees scholarship on the scholarship pricing. That means it will be 4,999 plus GST, right? So referral scholarship is also there. You can refer your friends. You can forward this link to them as well if they want to reserve their seats under my mentorship. All right, but only for the remaining seats, guys. Last few seats are remaining over here. Apart from that, anything you want to discuss, any question you have, feel free to post your question. The team will be monitoring the discussion and I am going to help you end to end. Certificates will be given to you after day 2, Sharmila. Day 2 is going to happen Monday 7 p.m. If you are here just for certificates, you can drop off as well. Okay. Next batch, we are not sure about that, Nanda. Even I am not sure that in the next batch a scholarship is going to be there or not. All right. Chat GPT Plus. Yes, guys, Chat GPT Plus is also going to be there, as you can see over here. For example, Chat GPT 3.5 is free. Chat GPT 4 is paid, right? It's $20 per month. For 6 months, I will give you student credentials. And in Chat GPT 4, we can explore multiple GPTs, guys, as you can see. Okay. How can we access live classes? Live classes, Satakshi, will be on Zoom, just like this. Okay. Don't worry on that. All right. So, guys, in Chat GPT 4, you're going to see we have got this data analysis GPT as well, where you can attach your data set. For example, I'm going to attach this final data set and I'm going to say that please plot profit by order date chart. Okay, so you're going to see I am giving more and more effective prompts on ChatGPT now, isn't it? And it is going to basically give me a prompt over here. Okay, a record Monday class timing will be 7 p.m. as I told you. Discord community link money will be given to you on our orientation. For the students who have booked their seats, I will guide you how to join Discord, how to be a part of that, how to connect with me over there. So by I think Wednesday, when we will have orientation, right, then I'm going to guide you how to join Discord. All right. Apart from this, guys, this is how you see it is basically doing our data analysis. And let us check if it is, yes, it is able to draw and plot a chart for us as well. So this way, Chat GPT Plus subscription for 6 months also you're going to get, where you can explore multiple advanced GPTs, guys. This is possible with student credentials of Ishan Group, and Chat GPT Plus you're going to see is $20 per month, right? As you can see, but for 6 months, $120 you're going to get it. That's free of cost. Apart from this, guys, anything else you want to discuss, any career related question you have got, feel free to ask it in the chat. The team will be monitoring it and I will be also helping you end to end. All right. If I've done 10 referrals, will I get this course? Yes, of course, you will get it free of cost because it is 1,000 rupees per referral, right? So if you will refer 6 students, it will become free of cost for you hypothetically. Right? Don't worry on that. Okay. Enough to get a 4-hour data analyst certificate by PwC and Accenture is enough to get a job. No, Arpit, you have to build projects, portfolio, digital profile. You need to get the skill set as well, right? Build a good resume, get great referrals. ChatGPT is also covered as a part of this program. And Nilam, don't worry on that. Okay. When one can have one-to-one mentoring call with the sir. So Sara, we are going to have orientation on Wednesday, right? Then I'm going to guide you how to join my Discord community. And over there, you can discuss anything with me at any point of time. I'm more than happy to assist you. Guys, the team has mentioned that a lot of referrals have been received. And they have mentioned that we went above the limit. Okay. 41 seats got booked out of 50. All right. We have increased 10 more reserved seats as a part of this program because a couple of payment got reserved and we received a lot of referrals for the program as well. So 41 seats got booked. Now we have increased 10 more reserved seats. A lot of students are requesting to give some more time. We will not be able to extend seats beyond 50 at any cost. All right. So guys, the team has some instruction that for the students who are requesting multiple time to increase some seats or to give some more time, last 10 reserve seats have been open. They will not be able to extend seats beyond this at any cost. 41 seats have been reserved. Last 9 seats are remaining. And they have also mentioned that, okay, the Lakshya 2024 coupon code is still valid. Okay, let me just check it. Yes, guys, Lakshya 2024 coupon code is also still valid as a part of this particular program. Last, I would say 9 seats are remaining for the referral students or for the students in the part of this webinar. Under scholarship amount itself, they will not be able to extend seats beyond 50. That is what they have mentioned to me. And again, they have also mentioned, okay, last 9 seats are remaining now. All right. So guys, 41 seats got remaining. Last 9 seats are remaining. In case you have already booked your seat, you can leave the webinar as well. Okay. Or in case you are here just for certificates, you can leave the webinar also. Apart from that, any other thing you want to discuss, you can discuss it. Last 9 seats are remaining under scholarship amount of 6,999 plus GST or a booking amount of 1,100 rupees, guys. And again, last 9 seats, right? Next batch starting. I'm not sure about the next batch, Venkat. I'm not even sure about the pricing of the next batch. Whether in the next batch we will have the scholarship or not, I'm not sure about that. Okay. You can book your seat and you can pause the program also. In case you are skeptical, then you can book the seat and you can pause the program as well for some time. And then again, you can restart. Don't worry on that. Okay. If I book the seat in 1,100, how much pending payment? Just subtract it, right? 6,999 minus 1,100, which is, it will be 5,899 plus GST, isn't it? 5,899 plus GST, and you can pay it at later point of time after orientation. That is perfectly fine. All right. Anything else you want to discuss, you can discuss in the chat. The team will be helping you. Bonus and certificates will be given to Navya after day 2, which is going to happen on Monday, 7 p.m.